Glory be to the Most High. Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn down to the ground. Give thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. I like the comment them, because I read them and see, you know, what people's opinion. Because we're upon the virtue of moving forward. You know what I mean? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Watch this movie. Tell me what you think. You know what I mean? Share with your friends and loved ones. We try our best. Let's go.
I had some band. I had some band. I had some band. Look how we want. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see some fun can done. 7 Mile White and Pandini grill side. Linkski connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding, parasailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool on is water park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay. I do the rafting down by Martha Bray. At Margaritaville you can chill all day. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see some fun can done. The curves and turn a firm gully. You're in Jamaica, so don't hurry. Don't pass the craft item vendor. You have to purchase things to remember. Ripe banana, mangoes and sweets up. And the birds singing sweet songs in the treetop. Bob Marley Museum, let's go see that. You see in Jackson record.
Are you watching?
Alright, let's say, go down. Come on, let's show off, man. No, man, that's a shit make people go down. Yeah, come on, let's go. Come here. Yeah, 14. Everything hurts. It's a dry one. It's just stay now. Cook. Where you get 2 hands to do? What you get 2 hands to do? Sit down look pretty. I don't want one yam me. Me make you yam me. Pick up in the kitchen. This is nothing yam. You're bright. Boys to stay now. But I never finger here. So what, my girl? What one? That's a no cause.
I say, Papa, that's a big mama money till she get tired of my spending money on you.
Yeah. And she laugh on something. Yeah.
John! Who listening? This is your coming. Hey? And then what's in there?
When they don't chat people because that. You're big too much.
Are you should even chat me in a car? What more that thing back in your motor that the $50 US now? I mean, buy our water out of that, the same money there.
Papa, every day you come and give me and beg me dinner.
So if your mother in your company for $50, she's a meal with stingy rich. Yeah. But you only have to know, because everyone we have family. And you sit down and chat with Maria.
But that's a girl get down, Anna. That's not denying a fryer.
Listen, I don't mean you to love it now and take that, you know.
Stop the human money, human don't have it.
Listen, who have it?
She don't have it.
And she and my man look a young boy crossing the road.
I didn't give my young boy. I said, make a young girl in my new.
No watch my business, you know. That's a hard life I go reach, you know.
No, I let not reach a bad man. I'll take you.
Listen to me. Remember, this house that belongs to my mother, you know. I feel my mother, my mother, you know.
Hello, when you love chapel business, that happened to me.
Listen to me. More listen than my 50-year mother, you know. Tell him, say, I now making no more money. Because it's me. I
chat, he said that bomb no one's in Richard. That's why I make a want to try. And that's why I get some money. See, the mother alone, me make sure say me eat. She eat. We don't have no problem. I say, ever begging till mackerel? Me hungry right now. Me begging me till mackerel right now because me hungry. Little girl, I'm going in the kitchen. You know, I get a fire with them presents.
Hey, me go in the kitchen. You got to create the kitchen.
Yes, I look so Nyam.
No.
Me hide them in a cabinet and lock.
Guys, we check the cabinet already.
No, you can't go in there. You
The
lie.
only thing we see is salt. That's the only thing that Jamaican woman
Yeah,
have.
me put it in the other side of the cabinet, the one where you can open. Nyam salt, because they're vampire. I
Tell
don't
them
know
that I say when you issue my number, in delete it, block it or rinse
I'm
it.
not call you. Are you a call she? Are you delete it, block it and stop calling and begging money to come and get left for the place, man. Tell her I'll give me more video.
You see, sir?
Me love you as a family member, but
Yes,
why
yes.
you just asshole?
Oh.
Watch out, man. Move, man. Galang pay you
Move,
go
man.
make them $50.
They are $20. What we have done? You can't buy it.
Cause that's never seen you. Tell your mother say me say, if you tap, they send money for Papa all the time, all him a do and mind girl with it. Right.
Now tell her for true.
Jam, you see me a mind girl? You see me a mind girl, girl? You see me a mind girl?
Hey!
Because me see you.
Nabala with Inaya. Hey, nabala with Inaya. Cause the one, me take care of the pig.
Oh yeah! You are such a good girl.
You might give me money. You might give me money.
Family member and money for a child look work as to
You know, beg no money from
come on,
me.
come on, me no want me in and you're the family as come on, you finish. One. Yeah, man, me no want here.
Make it talk now.
Hold on now. I want to go in the bathroom before me hear all of them. Me here try to flush tight. Oh, you flush. Because the one that me use up on my cousin, me get up, it does.
So you're telling me to flush the toilet?
I don't know what I want to flush.
Well, yeah, she will flush because I don't what that she do. People tell me.
Hey, come
That
back.
she used to do.
Come back.
They can't tell
Yes,
me.
since you pick up him, go flush him. Alright.
You know more about it because I used to work in a pit tile.
At least we didn't make me little dividends. What you do for yourself right now other than fast and big people business? Stop square up with me. Alright. Yeah, me wanna stop square up with me.
This is the way I want to man.
How that? Outside, God.
Live and living colors, man. I'm going. I'm a young one.
I'm not good enough for me. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. That's how.
I just hear brother you're hungry.
I'm not good, man.
I just awful.
What one? You try to call my phone and not on my phone. What with that phone?
Who me there foreign?
No, I know she's that phone, but what with that phone?
No, me fi know me there Jamaica. How do you me fi know say what do you?
You're not talk to your mother.
She not let me talk to her.
Stop telling like family girl.
She not put
Bro.
credit on my phone.
So I'm going. What about your mother? Can we let them there fine right now and make money so what? You get money?
Yes, all the time.
You get that money when you get money? You're not family, you know. You ain't got no money.
Give your money. Stop telling lies. Let me say stop it.
I just $10 US she gives me.
Ingi you at least
What,
ingi
better
you.
money?
Little long,
Better money?
last long. Set and God get.
$10 US on
You don't know.
Sure.
I pass, I pass through, you know. But we just check pound and you know, alright, on the balance out, right? I'm going to come here tomorrow, come do some work. I'm going to start tomorrow to build the fence here, but I'll get the post and put in and
the
bag
phone.
of
I
things,
ring
you know.
upstairs.
Tomorrow, your phone I ring, go and answer your phone. Go and answer your phone if I put your mother call you. Go and answer your
Not
phone.
true.
Oh, no, God, don't think you're lazy.
Let me tell you this, Digi. We need to have a serious talk about Brittany. But I want next time.
But listen to me now. You see, Jack, you see, I don't want you to take up Brittany on your case like your daughter, you know. Your sister.
I mean, one day, mommy, they are fine.
But
Mommy,
me
let
know.
him go up on the road.
No, let him go. But me I say, don't take up like your daughter. Because I never take you up as my daughter because I'm the older one for you.
No, you can't. You're busy.
I didn't let you go.
You're busy around back a girl, so you know business about me. That's why I'm not get a great education that I'm supposed to get. Me not make that happen to Brittany.
Let me tell you one thing. This education mash up this nation. Whether most of the people them in politics now when done, you know. That means they don't mess up the country.
Did
You know,
you
of course,
get
no
me ignorant, you know, so
yeah, the man say, you see, if some of them people when done, so they turn prime minister and turn no leader. So you won't have no problem, maybe less problem.
You trying to listen to him, you know?
Yeah.
Because of him, make me have to drop out of school early. And because of him, he make me find man. Say me because me want love from a male person.
So you don't never want love from me, you're your brother.
Really?
And that's what I mean. Yes, because me never have a father figure, a brother figure in my life, none tall. Me have to go road, so say yes, you're gonna find love a road to see. Alright, them can be man if you get in my life.
Hello, I never was on a road go look love. If you didn't want love, it's still my
You tell me nice and big people argument. You may tell us
see, let me tell you something. There's no love like self-love. But anyway, what is love? You know what is love?
anyway,
I'm big round circle.
You're in love. You're in love now. Same thing.
Stitching one. You say
Anyway,
you're gonna fix it.
there's something to be like man level. Because man is a man level. And bad things are going on. We just start a big project up there. Boy, I food and all. Listen up. I'm not going to get things. The two turn like a old up and doing show. This one got a car, this one got a car, this one got a car. Bless her buy my girlfriend of the one car first. Them will buy. Hold on, car. Hold on, no job.
Them first and then they drop it by when they drop it by your face, you know where you're going to. The sister this.
No.
The sister that.
Yes, I test them. I'm not plan to carry. But it's when you have a good woman and she's young and she's fertile and she tell us to wait until she reach the age of ready to be some picnic and rare, you go walk. You go walk. So, it's a nice girl, of course. You go meet her when I did them, man. Good, clean skin girl, stout, strong, healthy. So she healthy because she's promising some youth. But we 5 youths on her. One time, right? No, she's a Mandeville.
Hey, cause now listen to you. None of you woman named the young strong harvest that I never do any out.
I don't know about you. I don't know about you, man.
Yeah, me say we come out and big people argument.
I don't know. Anyway, I have permission to deal with that. Show forward. But nice soon, of course. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. This one gonna car. This one gonna car.
Miss Rose had to call it video.
Move the mic or I get me touch.
Yeah, what that man do still?
One year since you can.
Yeah, no. Go on in. No, but as long as no bad no trouble, you know. Everything good. No bad no trouble, you know.
She trouble me.
No, not that different, man. Because I have some food, maybe some
So
place.
when you
And
say
done
you're
badly.
going to fix, there's no.
Tomorrow, me I come do the column. Me I come like a soldier. Me see him on the road a while ago. When I come around you.
After one piece of food, come give it to at least. And then
You're not going to see me tomorrow because by the time we reach here, going to school. So you're not going to see
me,
me.
I go to you.
But you go see me because you have at school.
No, let's not
Don't
be
make
hard.
school miss you, you know.
Alright.
Don't make school miss
Not
you.
tell him nothing, because you send me up, man, so don't say nothing to him, man. Don't say nothing.
Hello, mommy. Mommy, tell me about you, you know. So when you're born, you see hard life printing and foreign. So what could I do? Push you out there. Because you're hard like you rough. You see when you go out and look at the turn out. You turn to somebody good. I see you working on computer now.
Print out by Brittany.
Brittany have flexibility life print out and go flex. And if you
Flex.
go on,
Anyway,
anyway,
I'm trying to say
you go dolly.
you're going full of man. That's him.
No, she gonna be a dahlia.
Yeah.
She
full
got
of
dolly.
man. Listen to your brother. Your brother is
Let
dead.
her. Let her.
You know me, no.
Love uno.
No better, no better.
Morning down.
Make sure you get money coming and come tomorrow. That is
This one get a car, this one get a car, this one get a car.
You don't want a car for you.
And next time I get a car. I'm going to get a car.
Anyways, what else have to tell you, no cause?
Alright, so we're going to now 8 feet. Yeah, man, your mark, you know. You have to the mark, the pen. No, man, no worry. At the board, you have to cut the last first, man. You have to back still, wait. Wait, first, that's okay.
Yes, you know what I mean. Cut it.
You can't cut it?
Then
Go, wait. Put the pan in first. Put the pan in. Got the man. Make sure you line, the pan line. Pull up here. Yeah, start and push it. Sam, can I just pick up the fly and not touch the. You see, that's why the tool is important, you know. When the man in teeth will like tool for work with, you see? This is what happens. You know what I mean?
yeah.
You have to short on the work and now. Estimate. Just drag it across and so go on. Yeah, man.
You know. Say that.
What's going on now?
So every day, you know. I work in our son, you know.
Good.
Every money we get.
Yeah.
A week time we give woman.
Yeah.
I tell them say every day work and tell them go and you want wogi.
Well, she work?
Eh?
She not work.
No?
Why she not work?
Because she has said, you know I go work on the shop and pay me another.
So I'm saying now work in personal life.
Why let me so let me know?
You turn up to no one nail him.
Yo, daddy, hear me? I can't manage Jamaica, you know. But listen me. The thank you for teach me trade, you see me?
This is very important, you know.
Right now, daddy, I have one yard and pick me a yard to feed. Now, right now, I better go to the scam, chop the line. You see me? I go rob people.
Been down that road already, you know. Go down the road already. And not for my friend them. Now make it, right? So I make a choice, learn a trade. And by learning a trade, doors open, apart. They have things now. They get big building for do, plaza. They get section of hotel for build, right? Or they get 2 houses to build. You can do that easy. Good for learning trade, daddy. Cause end of the day, make you a man. But I can't tell you what to do, you know. You're the own man, you have to make your own decision. Anyway, they are going to clear off them work here.
But daddy, this is what I say. Back in a few time, you know, you did.
Good morning.
I wear school bag there.
In my shop.
I mean by my shop. So even if you have one or two little tape and you don't carry your bag with your glass school, like what with the book in your hand.
You know what that again? The school bag in my shop. I say I can burn me one.
How much is that bag that we are talking about right now?
35,000.
No, sir. Your chest higher than Sky Mountain. You're crazy. You know what you do? You go back upstairs and take up that bag where you have up there and use it go to school with. Oh, the transport bag where me make an agreement with.
No, it's Psycho Bunny.
Which bag you talking about?
It's Psycho Bunny.
Hey, Jesus Christ. I want to tell you the name, sir.
No one bag name so.
And you choose to have a book in your hand, you have one bag upstairs now, and I can't say now one little tear the panny bag, you know, just because it's tear, you come and go one like a bag make your gas full. A bag make your gas full. You see if your grades and it add up to you how you look, it's a bad and not so bad. Your grades are not even high as the way how you look. You're not Clark shoes and you want to wear cycle body, but listen to me, little girl. You better move from front of me. Where you want me to get the money from? Go thief? Or you want me to sell me parts to get it for you? Where me get that from? Eh? Me only can buy a little $5,000 transport. Me don't have it. What do you think me I do? I work very hard over there and I call. You don't have the money for the waste my foolishness. Go to school, go think about your book. Even if you walk with the book in your hand, and that day we focus on. But friend this, friend that. Everything friend do you have in night too. You better move in front of me. You better tell them.
Alright, make it stay. We'll go to school later.
I thought me balling.
Aliyah.
How that?
Brittany.
How you look so?
I'm in need.
In need of what?
One school bag because my sister no want buy me none. Me tell her to buy me one. She say too expensive. That's why I come up here to ask if I could buy me one because I can't carry my book in my hands to go to school every day.
So she make you carry a book in her hand, in your hand?
Yeah.
Alright, yo. I don't have much money, you know, but me I go help you.
Alright.
Maybe me can buy you one of them liquor matey bag there, transport or whatever. But I don't enough money me have, you know. Alright, me I go for money and come. Alright, this is 3,500 $. I really have much, as I said, I really have much money this morning. I want a little money, but I have to take care of my business. Because if I'm not married, the money not really have flow. But in my work plan is still, you know. But I hope this can help you. So just make it work.
Alright. Well, I put on this money here because if I go want a cycle bunny and this can buy it. If I go find a boyfriend or see if he can help me out with this too. But I have a question to ask you. How when you what age you start have sex?
Well, to tell you the truth, I think I went around 8 or 9, one of them. I don't really remember because a long time that.
Oh, the reason why I ask is because I want a boyfriend. And you know, so when I take things from a man, they want back for you, understand?
Yeah, me know that.
So that's why I ask. Because I'm 15 plus now. And I kind of, you know, if you know what I mean.
Kind of what?
Have the feeling there.
Oh.
So, is it hot?
What a question then?
Me ask because I've been there before. Been there, done that.
So if me a 9 or 8, whatever, I don't even remember my age. You know, I must hot.
Oh.
Every time that me have big body, you know. Big body. So I sound like a big man. Whenever I used to deal with no little boy, big man. So you expect say it go hot.
Jesus Christ. Well, me don't know big man. I'm a little boy.
Alright then. Me I keep over time. Come go to school and me have a whole heap of things in the house to do.
Alright, later. Thanks for money again.
Alright.
Wait, let me figure out for ask. What's about the godmother there?
You know, say she gone from early this morning. She gone from the road with the deacon and so all the church people.
Alright, later sis.
Alright.
Tell her how this month time she come back.
Alright.
Yo, pastor, son. Tap you now. You know some top here, some dudes in the community though.
Can I do that?
What you mean? I make you all like half free money in the church, you know. And I go like a bank, I go in a pocket, I go, you know. We stop here some dudes. You hear me? I tell you now.
You go on with your badness, I go pray for you.
Pray, but now when you pray for me, you can't
You
take
want
out.
some prayer?
Listen to me now. You can't take out this demon in me. Because look what money put butt up on my hand. 100 dope up on my hand. You hear me? I tell you.
Young man, you need to go in church.
Sir, stop them about church. And money me I talk about. How church come to this? If you stop here some dudes, for the young youth them. That's how we are suffering in Gideon. We do not do nothing, you know. Listen to me. We do not do nothing for you. They want to go around and talk about church service, church this and that. When we are dead for hungry.
Where do you think badness gonna put you? Is he either in jail or grave house and graveyard? You know? Where do you think it put you? You need to come in church, give your life to God.
God. Yes, that's right. Yes, but listen. When we start
Look
running
how much
Jews,
things God did for you. Not
we-
even you.
Listen,
we
when
all.
you hungry in that church, I think about hallelujah and praise the Lord and wipe sweat. Meanwhile, on the head, I look up to Anna home and them. When you stop it, me know who know.
I'm not gonna do the much talking.
Me need
either.
some money.
I'm gonna tell my father about you. You need some
Yo,
prayers.
move for yourself.
Conversation done right.
Who am move for yourself? Go on, sir.
I go tell my father about it.
Oh, yeah. You start running Jews, wait till up here next time. I'll phone me and take away.
Go tell my father about it.
Soon catch you here.
Alright, wait up. Why you booking here and you don't have any bag?
No, I'm not in a school bag.
You know what me be do? I'm pastor son.
Oh.
I always see around the place and I always have my eyes on you. Very nice store. Clark City. But why you not have a bag though?
Because my sister don't want to buy me no bag.
Why your sister no want to buy you?
I don't know, she said too expensive.
Wow. Well, I could buy you one still.
But no. But I love that.
They have phone and them things.
Yeah, me have a mom never bring you to school.
Can't get your number then. But me never give them my name though. Name Ocho.
Okay, I'm Brittany.
So what time you have come from school?
Maybe around 3 o'clock.
Well, probably go fasting still, so and if I come back, if I could have give you a check or something, that good.
Yeah, that good.
Well, maybe I go fasting today still with my father, so I wonder say if I come back in time, if I could have give you a check, that good.
Yeah, that alright.
By the way, do you have a boyfriend?
No. You have a girlfriend?
No, not this moment.
Alright
Well,
then.
that sounds good still, but I don't want to hold up your time, so later I give you a call or give you a check.
Alright.
Nice meeting you.
Hello?
Hello, morning, sis.
Morning,
Oh, you not buy no bag, give it if you at school. No, she come up here this morning, come check me, say, she asked if you buy one bag for her, and you not buy no bag for her.
Me not no money for buy Britney no Psycho Bunny bag.
Me not hear that, you know. Hello? Yeah, me I hear you now, yes, you know. Psycho Bunny, yeah, me know, she tell me. You have to buy her what she want, you know that? I mean, know your mother send money come from over Sophia. And you still not buy her a bag. And you make, you see, anyhow she go there, go find man and do no out her way. And your fault, you know.
Well, if she want to take man that a fair business, I'm going to take it. Me them buy him Psycho Bunny bag. Me no have it.
No, remember you are working, so you can't use the money where your mother send to buy the bag. And you must can't get if I even want $500 or $700 to go to school out of your money.
Me don't have it. Where if you say me I brought Britney bag just because mommy I send little money from find a work woman if they work hard, you know.
But sis, where you think you pick me I go do you now? What am I gonna do?
Listen to me. Britney at eat good. Britney at go school. And Britney at do a bag with him.
Gas school with the book there in your hand?
On the bag school book, you know, we tell to me buy my nice transport bag. What's the half? He just take the transport bag and call it that again. Don't so hard. Listen to me, man. Listen, what's the name?
You know, them nowadays speak near them heighty. And when she a go to school with John's World bag now, everybody go laugh, look on her, like, you have to just give her what she want.
Yeah. Britney asked the Clark shoes, me give him Clark shoes. I know Britney a come and ask me for Psycho Bunny bag, like saying things say money broke and tree me for shake off money off a tree and just buy everything we want.
Sure, anyway, don't have a Britney argument. What on? Alright, me I'll come check you one of them there, you know. Alright, look at more.
Hello? Yeah, me there yard. I do some exercise there. Where else I go? You can check there now? Alright, then forward. Alright. You do all, just come in. Mm-hmm.
India do nothing.
I'm gonna stand me one India. What me buy? No, that was like a sister now. What happened?
Come here, sit down and talk to me.
Everything I'm in there. What?
Come here, sit down and talk to me.
I didn't even know what come to me. I put you up with them about happen.
Cause you know like your heart sometimes.
Everybody feel good when I'm just doing full body exercise. You know.
You look your body feel.
Well, I'm not talking phone. And then look each other one card and bring me up for that. What one?
Move this foot over there, son.
Come with the bag up and then what happened?
You lucky you feel nice now.
Some of them must feel nice, girl. I want.
You don't know say. My godmother put me out.
So, how you could have known think kick you? Girl, I'm careless to get yourself in that trouble. You can't just relax. What you do now?
So make me have to do something. ID can want me. So that's why she kicked me out. And she said he can want me, I don't want she. So that's why.
So you tell me, say, I really can make it one when I get along with him a bit cute. Girl, I'm like church again. With your body part now. I can't take it.
Sis, I'm in need of your help. Are you really sitting this all off? Right now, some of me I look for stay. You can't put me up. For a couple days.
You don't know already, say. My home is your home. Anytime you need help, I'll be there for you. But me I tell you, God Almighty, truth now, Aliyah. You need to stop with the bagger man business. Give it a break, no man. True. See, then I make auntie kick you out over deacon. Deacon, man, we're in a church. Come on, no, man. You know me love you. To me heart and back. Let go the man them, no, man. Give man them a break. Think about your life. Set up yourself. Think about businesses. See there, you go from house to house to house till you reach in a church.
Oh God, sister, long time I see you. How you care for me now?
You know, can't nothing for you, man. Go hold a seat, man. Come hold a seat now.
I never you me there ask nothing.
Sure, man.
You know, if I'm not care nothing there now.
You hear me, I say? Worry yourself, I still buy you one school bag. Because I saw a nice one, don't hurry, one gold and pink one. So, I'm going to try to get that for you before you eat. You have lunch money?
No, I'm not lunch money.
So you never tell me? Later, here?
Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright.
Sis,
Meet my boyfriend.
Good evening.
Even Joe, I know him, and I introduce him to me. I already know him. And all the time I did that fish roll and I see you. Nobody's ever next to you. But anyway, so sit down now. Ciao. Lady, give me back my tea.
oh, sorry.
Well, give me a minute. Let me put up that properly. It's very expensive, you know. And that's when we get to work from home.
If you don't say pasta, son?
Me say, you don't have to tell me nothing about Buju. Me know him.
Oh.
And to tell you the truth, me kind of proud of you. You choose the right one. You first in your life.
Yeah, someone nice man in be. I'm say compliment still.
Anyways, me kind of tired of hear for your voice. Me hear from the day you're born. Shut up. What Buju?
You know, some day I go on easy back, you know?
Anyways, me not cut you enough, but one upstairs go deal with something that me and Buju have a one-on-one.
So what you want to chat to him for?
One upstairs.
It's no problem.
You know, you come closer. So what you want with my sister, you know?
Well, you know, so I like half a sister though. You see me? And I promise say anything she want me, I try my best to make sure so she get it. You see me? Because I really love her.
I'm glad say she find somebody who actually I go put her first in everything when I do. And I like attitude and everything. And in this community, I know you as a good youth. I don't know, see me and live with me at two different something. But I know you as a good youth. Your mother talk good about you. Your peer people, them in your peers, them in the community talk good about you. And you always a hustle for a young youth. So, I have a problem with you. But try to mess yourself with my sister. Although I can get along with Bob head sometimes. I'm my little sister. Me do something very dangerous for my little sister. Try know that. But everything cool, man. I have no problem against you. You're a good youth.
Well, as I tell you, say, I do my best. I do nothing for her at all. Just how do the right thing.
Alright, no problem. So, I can call her back downstairs. Because if you did down here, one piece of chatting you that and that butting you and this, that. I will probably kick off. You know? That's why I send him up. So, no problem, I have no issue with you. Just keep the way I do and put my sister first no matter what situation. I mean, why you say I have one bag of girl, I run up this and run up that and sit and comfort. Although I don't know you as that. You see me? Don't do it with my sister. Try with somebody else. Heart is something I'm very cherishing. Cherish my sister one. Although my cross is to me. But cherish him. Alright.
Yeah, man, I promise me I'll do it right. So you can call her back now.
Brittany!
Yeah.
Come downstairs now, girl.
Alright.
You can have back your boyfriend.
I like sending God away.
You see what me at that boy? You can't see if I can work on that for me. Please.
I'll fix her.
Anyways, we can leave now, you know, because I'm busy working.
Which of that would you go do?
My pause to talk to him, so bye. Alright.
Come on, no way, shady.
And no time back home late tonight. Coming up, pull no grill for him. Alright.
Alright.
Now look about him. At least a boy I will try to change him. Try. So now go on with. So I want to call me boy now. Why problem? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What you say, kidney? So wait then. You not go can't do that because none of them is near right now. And you know it best somebody to deal with that right now, you know who? Cousin Popeye. Me not know kidney. Me nah none. No, nah none. No, don't mix me. I don't have no kidney. No. So how do they talk about me? Look, no man, me have better somebody than me. If me kidney them, I go feel him. As you know, put in he probably dead. Me I tell you no, my kidney I go feel. But use the Popeye kidney. Popeye kidney are best kidney for use right now.
Alright, you know say me and Papa is not the class, please alike. So I cannot be the one that do the thing. So you know put that since you attack the Papa, I would have to call you because you are our favorite things. You know what I mean? So the conclusion our favorite things, our favorite nephew. So it is if these can't do it, we can never do it. But are you off the corporate? Yeah, you off the corporate.
Hello, there's no questioning about that. No question. Cause you have a problem with it?
We don't have a problem with using your kidney, no, because we don't come to conclusion. We talk already. Say we didn't go use your kidney because as the fire said to me, say you're healthy. So your kidney.
Me sick as Ross. Nobody now using the kidney. Me sick. Me kidney we kill people. Me I tell her as I put in kidney in nobody body then dead. You say Popeye. So I couldn't not hear me I say. That means me don't want it. I'm mash up my life right now. No man see me, I can't, anybody get me right now, me can't get a baby. How alone man? No, me ain't that. You see Papa, he trying, he healthy, and plus he love give in body parts. He say it already, you know, he say, him willing to give him body parts to anybody in need. Yeah, kind of money.
My mother favorite sister, and right now she in need desperately. So as long as she get it, my mother go feel good. She knows that our sister in need of a kidney is well and okay. So just do that, and I will definitely take a money out of their account and give them. Just tell them same thing good for them. Let them agree to it and go do it. Alright?
No problem, no issue. I tell her that, no issue. Popeye willingly will do a kidney transplant in love giving body parts.
Listen,
I see the video said Popeye agreed to give her the kidney. Can't urge him.
That's why I have a love you, girl.
Alright, wanna talk to him because I'm not fan please align. If you talk to him, you're not gonna like it. So, wanna do one of them, then a man give you and up your cool, and we go all a bit and now. We're so glad that's all. We're gonna call my mother and tell saying, sister, it's gonna be okay.
Yeah, man. I get the kidney from Popeye. Alright, may I shout him right now too, so he can know.
When you come, I hear the man, you want to know carry the food that day. I've been saying what I'm going to
this is one I'm going to bring up.
I don't want, no, we don't want that one. They can this one problem. We go keep you getting here cover there. You go give me belly, you go there.
Anyways, never get to work. I work, as far as I can see, I work my day at work, so later. Yeah.
Anything one, go to a family union.
Aye.
Anybody dead, you know, that's how we come together. If anybody dead, we come together and kill rock and goat and beat all and beat together.
Yeah, aye. No problem. Later. Jesus Christ. Boy, never tell Papa this. They want to take my kidney. I don't know, bright. Yes. I call him there. Well, no, I call him. Let me call him. You know, so me come over here, come check me. Yeah, man, no hitch. Cause a serious situation. I mean, know you're willing to do it. So come. Alright. Yeah. You come here. Give me lungs. Oi! Agree up, come. Come, my cousin.
I only cousin with him. I treat me like a brother. What are your house been? How your house been?
Calm down now. What?
My God.
Well, I see it, man.
Why? Yes, it's feel good.
Yes, my cousin, man. Come up in that, man. Me no problem. You're good, though.
Yeah.
Long me no see you.
Well, I tell you.
Jesus, I look good. Me I tell you, what you want to drink?
Anything you have there, I do. We feel good. You know, I chip like a real family. You know, chip like a so. Why you only who I know I am, man? But I say, go. Me as a set of family, with set of pizza. But anyway, you will drink or you have no, please.
Alright. Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. Me go around the kitchen. I'll get the drinks here. Keep yourself comfortable, man. You see what you like in here? What you want?
But I take this
Look
stuff.
on that thing. I want drinks more guys like that tonight.
That can't warm this, but can't warm them like full cook. Yeah.
Sparkling grape juice, I get from one. Yeah, man. I still love you, my cousin. I still love you.
Because it's a sparkling and grape water, not juice. What they do here?
Tastes good though.
Now let's start by the taste.
Nice for your stomach.
You know how me pour up your bag juice and feed pan.
Go and drink my cousin and enjoy yourself. Me like where you look, man. You look fat like you take girl in my road that take care of you.
The girl might take the clothes coming out of money.
Yourself, man. Money's half run. Y'all get enough money when we done. Enough money.
No!
No!
That's it, that's what I'm saying now. When you call me, I know it's your money night, you know. Come and say, yeah. When you call me, money. That's what I like here.
Now we're my cousin. Go and drink your juice, man. May I wait till you done drink your juice. When the juice finish and everything, then me hold like a money argument with you. You know a money argument I got tough by your pocket. Girl, man, run you down when me done with you. Alright, you can take time. I'll push your entire back down your throat.
I want to me your money. I mean, if you done the juice, then they can hear. I don't think I want no more.
Alright.
And the money more I hear about it.
Alright, my cousin. Red stuff, you know.
So, hold on, let me come closer. Can you see? When you come on to mommy. Look like your computer back door.
No, leave on me now. Cause this dent and everything else, then me a trouble. And money that.
You talk about your house, man. Mansion, you know. Where look at sister?
You know, saying that now with your boyfriend.
You still make a look at sister, man.
I can't tap him. Mommy will do pie. Mommy will do.
Put the pie once.
No, man, I can't tap him. Anyways. Alright. So, we did a whole you know, we hold family meeting. I try to call you, but my find out you don't have no phone. You understand?
No service, no phone, man. No service, me now. I WhatsApp you try to come back?
Yes.
Well, me now no service.
But anyways, we hold a family meeting. And we find out say Auntie Johnson kidney. We feel him.
If you feel him long time, I love people mix. Hey, I never see a woman I love mix up so. Thank God.
Well, my cousin, we make a decision. But that's how we did go and tell our group, you know. I want a nice decision for you, because at the end of it, you get a piece of food.
So, big piece of money?
Yes, one big piece of food for you.
So, we'll kill her?
No, I know.
You think they'll kill her and take insurance money? Because I know it's a long time she be dead still, you know.
You know, say, totally different because
Oh.
me talk to you.
Yeah,
Your
nice.
fingernail look nice.
You never go so nice nowadays. I want.
Could I? Your fingernail pretty.
Yeah, because we not get no hard work.
You're clean and everything, and plus the money where I'll get, I make you cleaner. You hear?
People closing up.
So we make one decision, like.
So, what you say about the money now? What is happening now?
No, because at the end of the day, you're going to get enough money when this argument is done with. You know, say, Auntie Johnson, that we did in a group that I talk about, Auntie Johnson, kidney. I feel him and me want your kidney. And
A long time that you feel that, man. So, where you going to find kidney? And did that ever get done?
I said, come in and get one if you did.
Long time chat people business too much, man. I beg you, man, $50, man, call the whole family member.
For true?
About 50. You must be mad.
Well, me don't know how you gonna feel about the fact, say.
Say, you now send me back no money anymore, dead?
Something like that. Yeah, man. Because...
I'm sorry, bad man. I'm sorry, God no.
But he's not dead yet. Are you gonna save him?
You can't save him. I'm probably a Superman.
Let me tell you how you are gonna save him now. After your kidney, we are gonna give him.
You must be mad! See? You're mad. Celebrate you! Me! You're mad. Why not?
Calm down.
Why? Don't you calm down?
Calm down.
Listen to me. Why out of everyone of the family member? Why you not here? Few kidney members of your fat.
Me not that healthy. You're healthy. You're stronger.
So that you sit down in a group and talk about what I miss. What a good thing in the answer for that light up the whole family in that group. Let me tell you this. You me poor, you don't want to sacrifice it up. So you have this big house here. You don't go and sacrifice the family member them.
I no sacrifice. I save you. I go save your healthy life. You don't want more money for offering.
Save the life. Me think man in $20 and $50 can stand one day. Listen.
But we already decided and say yeah, but
Just as long as you see me, you don't know me. And don't call me phone. Never again. Me know your cousin. Please, I beg you.
me know your sister you call me. No sister you call me.
When me know your sister and brother Naya, she's a wicked, you're really wicked. What? They got me kissing. They got me murder.
Papa no bad.
They got me doing so.
No bad.
I said, why did you do the whole family? I'm not even Jesus.
Papa no bad. No bad.
Devastation.
No bad. Jesus, what a bitch ugly. Mercy me. I'm not gonna tell the people now. Because then I get my kidney they want to take.
So are you alone there, your sister not here tonight?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
So go to sit down and talk. But different next day. You know, say you need to come in church with me though. Not even one Sunday I can't come to church. You know that you would have feel good if you see you come to church.
Maybe Sunday I come on out at church, I'm not sure.
Jesus is so good too, you know.
You know.
You know much things in the for you? God no, it's that good if you come to church on Sunday. I know you're kind of sad now because yeah, the hurricane thing, but that's one of the reasons I'm there. So I can chill out there for a little while. My father gone, they call them thing there. They look a night service, I don't remember what name. But I tell them I stay. Because I tell me say I don't feel good, so I can stay out there. I hope I feel better though. Which I never remember still, but I would have rubbed the olive oil on your forehead and pray for you. You have olive oil over here?
No, I'm not from olive oil.
So I think it's a great idea. What daddy has said.
Look here, a great idea. Wait for that to that foolishness. Just to sit down and just tell him. How good I am got finished up.
Yeah, we can do that, no problem. But no sex though.
You can't tell me that. Yes,
Go crown her. Oh my God. Amen.
Seriously, you know what I mean? Yes,
Let's try. Wow.
It's your first time I do it. What's so bad?
I want to try that again though.
Anytime.
That journey. Well, as we said the first time I never do but I'll go and try it again. But tomorrow, if I get the chance, probably give a check still. I'm not sure if I get the chance. But I'll go before your sister come and smell nothing from me and so just follow me back out of the and I don't know be and fresh up and calm from video calls.
Alright, okay. What's that?
Babes. How are you there? You know, say Brittany not there? You can't come check me? Yeah, he was free now. I'm hope you can wear your car for me. Yeah. Alright, hurry up and come. And about top of road with no girl. Alright. Yeah, may I come? I'm coming.
Yeah, man. Long time I don't see you.
Then the other day, overseas we expect.
Yeah, but I don't care about nothing for you. I don't care about nothing for you. Because things not going over there.
So one boy. Alright, get this story. So one boy I got thump in their face and they said me done so nothing go on for me. And everything when me do plan for you and work out. Some don't know what you can do for me, you know. If you can give me a money still, you know. When I go up on the road or something. Because I feel frustrated.
So exactly what happened? What caused that day? If you thump people in their face, what caused you to do that day?
You know time to go up, my man.
Simple that?
Yeah.
You hear me always tell us you're too ignorant, man.
Remember with Jamaica not take talking like them, you know, be if you understand.
Yeah, but they can't go overseas to do that.
Remember say with Jamaica not to take talk like them, you know, be if you understand, you know. Because if a man tell me if you suck my mother, you know, go pretty, you know. And that me I try to show you.
But you can't so ignorant. Anyways, me get a piece of food from mother. Luckily.
How much money that? Make sure enough, you know.
Never get a little bit of money yet?
Yeah, last time I 16,000 you give me, you know, be I tell you so that can't do me, you know. So you mean by
then what about the money when me give you go overseas? What about the money when me give you buy a class and they say that is $16,000? No, we get $16,000 for lunch money.
Boy, oh boy. Alright, put that one side.
Anyways, I have 200k.
No man, more 500.
At 200 me have.
Line up 3 more funny.
Alright then me hold that until the time when you forget that.
Make sure you know, cause right now my time I waste, you know.
You
I don't want to reach by Sunday tomorrow.
A woman I have?
I don't get money.
A woman I have?
No man, I mean be me not know woman.
I don't know if you don't know what. Talk to me, a woman I
I
have?
don't have any woman be. Just easier say no man, hold on.
Trying to ramp with me now.
I don't know anything set man. Hold on man.
Anyways, I will hold the 2k until me get the other 3. We get it. Okay, see 5. So what you gonna do there now?
What may I do here? You know. The first one may I take it by one gun. Yeah.
Anyways, we're not there here, so come on, go do it fast before it get late.
May I tell you man?
Enjoy yourself.
I'm going to put on the bed corner.
That then tell you, trying to give nobody in good, you know.
Ain't nobody, man.
Anyways,
No.
I will call to mommy and something, and arrange or something there. So, we call you when you come.
Hey, that's it, man. I do that, man.
Better lock up it. I'm not bad at fine. Anyways, come. Every time I miss
Okay,
you.
no babes. I see no game body.
Never. Cause you make it say you're Miss Sugar sick. So come on. Just watch it. Yeah. Call that woman because the man have to get you money. What, mommy? Me there, you know? Brittany gone down your road, gone deal with something. I just after 7, remember so over there time more higher. You know me not making up on the road. Of course, me give money supposed to get. Me give him the 200,000 you send and say if you go to school with you and so. Me give him that already, man. But the thing is, the last one where you sent other day, yeah, the one where you sent like 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Yeah, the one where you sent me if you use PFE book them and all type of something. Then I stick me up and rob me. Me don't know who did I watch me when me did I go for money. As me dry out of Western Union, so I not even get to come my yard really good. But mommy, anyways, me I gonna need one because in school fee them and in book them a come up hard and know. Yeah. And you know say very important. Plus I sometimes we pay in CXC them. So me I gonna need one 500,000 from you. Yeah. That I have to pay for CXC them and to make sure say in have book and something and to buy me in Psycho Bunny bag as well. A 50k for Psycho Bunny. Yeah man. Yeah, send it when? As early as 5. If you can send it tomorrow, send it. Alright, night afternoon. Alright. Thanks, mommy. I love how you take care of your daughter. Me make sure so she eat, man. Make sure me take care of Brittany. Yeah. Yeah, see, take a picture of Clark shoes and give me it so I can send it to you. Me take care of him, man. Alright, mommy. Later. Me call him and I make him.
I go on party.
Hello.
I'm see how do I'm see how I like you do.
You see me, you like me?
Because some don't know say no.
Oh, I don't know where I don't know where them live to.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. You good? Yeah, man. I know say school ship kind of ready for me though. We don't want my friends to paint up before. Me go here, see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look away. And you grill them. You need to get sorted out as well. Yeah, before you paint, you have to sand it down and take out some of the rust part out of it. Yeah, man. So when you can come? Alright then. When you come, just let me know, yeah? Me there, man. Now left until about next week. Yes, man. Let's go with the price, man. I don't know if I can pay that because ship me up and I don't know ship make money. Alright. Yeah, man, the family good, man. Mother alright, everybody alright, father alright. My sister, she good, man. Alright. Yeah, me there. Alright then, until then. I'm going, you good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care of yourself. Wow. Because it's nice. Why they really can't give me a... Gosh.
I know you can't go on back around. So why you run me so fast? How who you go check? So why you run me down so fast? First of all, I know say a man you go check. You're not fi hide it. Me don't know that already. You can't just talk to me because you don't think it already. Yeah, our man me go check. But me know you know who me go check. Go on done. When me come me buy something for you. You want? I want to come, I don't want nothing. You know how I made us good, you hear? Care about one pizza for me or one burger? Yeah. Alright, later. Alright.
Hey, Wam.
You
good?
Yeah.
You think I go there, good?
What's she I got? I'm far I go to road.
But anyway, girl, let me see you walk with you. Your friend?
Yeah, my friend.
Yeah.
Oh?
Can't put into word for me. I let me get your number.
Yeah, man. You do right.
Make sure you know.
You know, say my sister though, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
She come down and me here come visit once in a blue moon. Yeah.
So she'll come back later tomorrow?
Of course, she'll come back later.
So you can do that for me?
Yeah.
And come link me and give me the number. I can call her. Alright then.
Hey baby.
Oh God.
Damn, my mind run fine, so I just give you a call, you know what I mean?
I good do.
Yeah, daddy in the day you're running, you know, I'm gone at night, you know, me always tell us I'm go. So me I wonder if I could have come over because that the thing that you give me one day, although I never want to do it. I'm just in love with him and do it again.
Alright, well, I'm going to check if my big sister they here because I'm not really sure.
Alright, so check and let me know if now is the right time.
Alright.
Because I'm ready.
Alright. Ashford Alliance. Sister, where she is?
She came up to Chicago for the word. Father, you know, she moved.
Oh. Alright, we can call her. Yeah.
How are you talking?
You know, say pastor son got my boyfriend.
Bojo?
Yeah.
A good boy that one. Come take yourself, you know.
Come on.
I'm not his own.
How is on? Yeah, the one? No, not like that. But let's stay stable.
Go back and go use on it.
The one I give vibes. Alright, yeah. Yeah, you gone.
No. Now make you ugly. Go your black.
You're not fear this one.
Error.
You out here. Yes,
Use one different one.
But the one is nice.
You call nice.
This. But you call nice, no nice, you know.
Use this. Okay. Use the one.
The one is nice, too, you know.
Use this. Girl, this make a look good today. The girl. Today. The nice, you see?
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Because what you like, me not like. And what me like, you don't like. You know, this one thing is okay. Well, anyways, you know, so me ask if you tell up about one boy, one youth. In tell me say he like you, in him 20.
Where are you come from?
Run the road you live, man. You have one big house, run the road. The same time I pass there, so I'm going to show you your house. Yeah, me know say you know who me a chat, but maybe I pick up your name or something like that.
When you say run the road, what do you mean?
On a back road.
Oh, back road. Hold on, you know, see me something set here though, but you don't say to nobody, you know.
Alright.
You know, say, men leak and they fit through.
Jesus.
But nobody no.
You know.
And I first somebody me tell say, you know. So if me hear back, I you chatting.
From what day me hear everybody chat about that, but anyways, a secret safe with me. Back to what me there say. You want me set the link or not? You have money, you know? As me I say, my friend like that, they will come from far and you have money. You work on ship overseas, so you know say the big bad US them you get. That's why I say, that's why I gonna set a link for you. So when I get the money, you can give me some of the money.
You have money, you know, but that not say, you see Deacon, I want jealous man.
Right now, best thing for you do. They will do two of them get the money, build a house because you can't do your favor. You can't catch a people place, so you have to have a house for yourself. I best thing for you do right now. There's no other way out. But I don't see, heart no leap. And when you know, don't hurt you. So him not have to know about it. The deacon not have to know about it. At least you have one man who have money and in USA I get to know like I old Jamaican dollar where I get from the deacon. You get enough of money from him. If you get money from the deacon, you get money from him see away. Just think about it, my girl. Like best thing for you right now.
Alright then. Okay. Just give me number. Let me see how it play out.
Alright. Hello? Alright. Yeah. So good.
Good night. How was on?
You're good?
Yeah, man, good.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Come on. Big sis, we come home up as well here.
Alright.
Yeah. Run.
That one was great.
Yeah.
But you know, me have something to say though.
Well,
You know, say next time we agree, we have to use protection.
oh, that's true.
But you can't buy that though. They're not going to sell me a shop. I must have most people in our community know me. And they know me, say a pastor son. So that will work. But we have to use protection though.
No, you die.
Alright then.
Yeah. So come on. No, the lock, no. I thought we had talk so business. Come on. Yeah, conversation I feel long. I have fix up. No, come and sit down. You sit down upstairs.
Alright, later.
Alright.
What if you're fasting Wednesday?
Alright, later.
Alright.
I go up upstairs. Yeah, go bed. Hello? Yeah, 20. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm call if you say is not because you get you on the first date doesn't mean everything to me I want easy girl, you know. Just because I like you and the vibes is nice. If I never saw, you would get you for around 2-3 months or so. Yeah. Anyway, we still on for tonight. Come here, I want me pick up one black dress now. And I can wear. And as I tell you, remember I know I show you love so I have a jealous boyfriend. Yeah, so you can just pick me up and drop me off out the road. Let me walk come on like you, Joe. Yeah, and I remember I tell you I go think about the movie in video. Yeah, what I go say now, I don't think it's go possible now. Because remember you know, he can jealous. And he go on there around me all the while. I'm not really ready to live up on my sister right now. But maybe go and come. Yeah, I hope you understand. Anyway, me see you later then.
Nah, to work at time do stay no more. I know some like you do a single.
Well, I have a boyfriend now. My name is Tony. But the relationship not so steady. So you single?
You know, some kind of one little girl done so I give me money, I go eat that girl. $500,000 no money. Me I tell you, you know. No.
What's the girl out there?
See her here, man. Show you. See her here, man. Big media, man.
I'm a sister that.
True.
Yeah, I'm a sister. Yeah, I'm a sister that. We live down there in a big house down there lane down there so. Live with her sister named Brittany. Does she say one?
Yeah, man. The man and she said one, man.
Right now I'm done, them go tell my sister because I can't believe this. My sister can't turn no yammed for no boy. My sister now be no yammed for no boy.
Watch out, no, mama. I can't feel you, just keep your mouth, no, mama. Watch out, no. Hold on for $1,000.
How we get $1,000? Me know. Aye. Don't
so
make me mouth fire like an M16, you know.
How much more you want?
Send on money.
Just. Hold on for this.
We have a deal. Nice doing business with you. Alright.
Remember, you know, mama, just keep your mouth, you know. Here.
Come now, girl. Come. Come in, no say you. Come now, girl. Come in, no say you. Sure.
Hello, let's be a door open.
I don't think the door open, but you ain't all this money already reach for my veranda. So like I mix up to give me no girl.
I come closer.
What you have to tell me, say? The family looks look nice though.
So what you have to do more so? I swear, I have to tell you. Girl, I couldn't tell me say such a good money I have.
So you know my boyfriend?
Know yourself.
I know why you're too close now because you're a man snatcher.
But just come to tell us here that one they deserve. You deserve him. You have to keep that one. You have to
I know, girl. Then have to tell me I'm a good man that.
My aim to do that plan, say, our wedding I go keep.
So why would you tell me that? It's a spoiled surprise. Because
come
a
tell us that
bad
you
man,
keep a good man.
a bad man, they can tell me all them someday.
I'm sister again.
Sure. Woman know girl.
Keep him.
Hey, put in a bed so. That's why I give him anything I have. Anything at all. But we can't get half of what I give him.
Oh, so I give my money.
I mean, I must take care of my man, girl. What do you? It is a man, I can't girl take care of.
But I am it, man.
I come and me and come discriminate me.
No. You don't put no food over there.
Me not feed people with bad mind me.
I have money in my pocket can buy food.
How is money work now? You like get money. Come in where you are now.
The one day some need to know and you to never find out.
So what make me can't find out?
No, sorry, you can't find out the one day.
I hope I know my man in the coming with your man snatcher. You love people, man.
You see, look at more now, little boy.
And I look up what do you? Boy nice, my man nice.
Look for Anna, my man must have 30 other over.
Oh, that's why I'm gonna kill you with lick.
None of them ever catch me.
No, we can't. You're fast. I like me itself.
Never catch me.
Can't get yourself. But anyways.
So really, I take your money, key boy. And other day, your sister want one bag in the bag here.
You chat too much more while
No, that's not right. You made girl, that's not right.
Yeah, what all people you made? Man snatcher.
Exactly, at least the money are coming to me.
Coming to you. I lick coming to you. So lick again. Nothing else. I told you like
that's what I do. Me make sure fled the crime scene.
I haven't said
nothing.
They
can't catch me.
You haven't said nothing.
But you know, you are push out money.
And my man, mine your own business. Get a relationship like mine.
Anyway, me I go home, me just go tell us if you married the boy, you hear?
Yeah, it's
I married him.
I'm not gonna propose. Let's say I'm going.
You can't stop shining up on it.
Well, I take money, man, but I'm going to catch a beat you. Later. You're fat too.
Man, you me.
People, man, to be exact. Let me start drama.
No, say, guys, life me I live do. Right now. Remember, the girl me tell her about anything more anything me get, you know. Me tell him some more 200,000, you know. He have to call him mother, you know. And his mother have to send him. So me have a girl here.
You're fortunate, you know. They can't get it the way there, you know. Everything I want, I show badness, but me get it. You hear me? But listen now, other day I'm gonna do a site work. But that site work too hard. So right now, you better go scam and make some money. See me that, cause that the money there. A lower money. Scamming a higher money. Bigger deal, no business. You understand? Yeah.
Well, it's not a nice thing doing, my friend. Anything you want, you can go find about. Just know a risk you see it. As a virgin, me I tell you, you know, you see it, dog. Yeah.
Well, Daddy, you know it's a long time I do business and I just know. The skill and my thing is them. I do things people can't pick up at the police, can't find an idea about that. You get me?
You right now, son, I get too hot to you, know, child. Me come out here, son.
Take yourself out there, son, then, no, man. I know me a bad man, you know. And there's a wine I son, car. Can't take his son heat. So I say I know.
Me I say right now, she have one little sister down the way I go to school, you see it. But she there down a little church boy, man.
Church boy. Different they do, you know. Woman too want a church boy, you know, and want for them money. A bad man they want. Is it?
Cause a church boy nah do nothing, man.
Me I tell you.
Nah do a thing, you know, my friend.
So, as I say, when me can circle up a yard there?
Anytime, man, anytime you want forward, man. Don't know me a virgin, no.
A long time I know you too, you know.
Long time, man.
So what you know? We know you a long time, you know me a long time, right? And say nobody touch you, just call me. You see me? Even some of my money where I get from the person there over there, so you can give me some of my money to you see it?
Yeah, man.
In a real life. So here what? I show up on the road, you know.
Yeah, man.
So I can make up some food in idea, yeah.
Blessings, blessings.
Alright.
Hello? Yeah? Me there, man. Oh, go on. You know something there, yard? Alright, then when I reach outside, show up me back. Alright. Yeah.
Action.
Hello? Yeah, what was this? Me there, yard. I'm over there. Alright, me there, man. Just come around my kitchen, here. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, me come.
Lucky girl.
Lock up place early, you know. I want
Come on, mama, lock this early.
Let me get, yeah, I need to go at me, I want Alright, talk to me, tell me what going.
You remember one time I tell about you want me to deal with?
A madman. A madman.
Well, he might look for me right now.
Oh, a madman could have want to kill her for now.
I don't even know if I tell her this, you know. But I sleep with my neighbor next door. And he fool man video it. And I don't even know how his video get leak. But Tony get it now.
Girl, you could have so killed. As a matter of fact, how is a whore? Eh? You set up yourself there now. Now we madman after you. So what you gonna do?
Right now I plan for runway. All the neighbor next door, he have to watch himself. Him have to watch for himself right now. He has send me video. I didn't even know how he get the video.
See? You're not talking about me telling you. Got that madman never feel life, you know. But I don't know how you're going to manage. So where you going to go? Where are you going to go? What you plan to do? Because you don't catch you, he might kill you. With lick. You know what to.
Come think of it, you know. I show you know. You see ex-girlfriend, I get to find out she have one hand she have right now. Cause she got cheat and he chop off her hand clean. But me only want one place to stay for the rest of the night. Tomorrow me gone. one-way ticket to Haiti. You can't come over there. I remember saying me a whole heap of family over there. One-way ticket.
So if you chop off your ex-girlfriend hand, when you get your neck gone, you sure for kill her, but no problem. But remember say your little sister not get along none darling. No. So how that gonna work out?
Where you look your sister there?
In,
Where you look your sister there?
you know, send her upstairs. See in there? He's dropping a big people argument. Come downstairs. Come.
No worry yourself. When the panny we are come, a matter of fact, I'm missing him a video. So now stay there. Be all is well.
Maybe we tell her.
Alia!
She gone behind the couch. She round your son. Tony may come. She round your son. Tony happiness and that listen to the girl. Listen to me. She probably gone out anyway. Just
No. Yeah, get things confused. Alia gone pan no road. I hope she there. Me get the phone call, say she come up here. So that's why me up here.
yeah, hear me say every time listen to Brittany. Stop listening to her. He might tell you a lie. He don't like my sister. He don't like
Come
him.
like on a puppy show to you, man. You know, so not take things for joke. You don't know me, you know. Alia know me. So send her come. Can you know say what we going? Please me, I beg you. No. Send her come. Me another talk.
See her over here, son. Shut up. Cause when no worry yourself, you know. You see you're corrupt on your bad mind. I saw you feel.
Tony happiness and tap listen to you, little girl.
Me tell you, man, me work too hard, you know. Can I say she out here, though?
What she
With
do?
the neighbor, what can I say that? The neighbor? I mean, I work so, I don't tell me nothing, man.
Oh,
Don't tell me nothing.
yo, tapping nice. Remember, say asking me the pan, nobody with the whole pan nice.
Look at girl, that be nice.
Eh? Not that.
That's why we don't like you, you know.
I may have strength for. You not strength for him. I may alone have strength for. You not strength for him. You go, yeah, maybe you try get up and go chat to him, man. Chim.
Who I mean?
No, you.
I'm sure.
Let me just look in your face. Get up and chat to him, man. Yeah, she get up and now. Don't shoot me. Chim. If you're in big old bluebird, all in the boy. Sis.
Anything you must say, I lie, my tail.
Sis. Let me talk to you.
Eh? Mommy going?
Yes, sis. Just go on now.
Yeah, sure.
Just go on now.
Alright.
Yes, you know.
Yeah, you now come.
No. You come up and make much nicer.
Mr. Come.
This serious.
Shut up. I'm gonna upstairs.
This serious.
Upstairs.
We have a man problem. What can't manage.
Awa. Girl, talk up awa.
Hold on.
What's that? Is that serious? Tony, me I call the police now. Alright.
Thank you for calling emergency services.
You call me over today. Come talk to me. Yeah, thank you. Alright. On the phone, is Extra sweet.
Yeah, it's like what you like it.
Alright. On the phone, you tell me say you have something to talk to me about. What is it now?
I don't know how to tell you.
It's very simple. Open your mouth and just tell me. I'm ready for anything.
Alright, I don't tell you. I'm pregnant. But it's not for you.
Mm-hmm. How come?
Oh, you know, maybe sleep with somebody else.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You tell me that we cannot do things without a condom, and you don't want to get pregnant till you're 25, right? Now you're 21 and you play a card like this, you're pregnant, and you know what the person who gets pregnant is, right?
Keita J.
Is that the same person your brother, not your real brother, but like your half step brother, cause you and him film father, David, your mother. So actually I know you're your brother, but that the person there. How that happened though?
Well, you know, then they give one birthday party over there, and we over here, and then you have rum punch, and you know how we get when we drink. And that's how we end up sleeping. I see them, we just don't know what after that. We just
It's a sad news, but I'm not gonna get mad, right? But if you follow what I said from that time, this would never happen. Because 3 months ago, I beg you, please give me a child. And you choose not to, right? You say, yo, wait till this and wait till that. What was the problem though? It's not that we're short of money or anything can take care of a child. It's not that you're gonna be in the best health care system to ensure that you give birth to some, you know, so I don't understand. So what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna walk away from all these things. So all the things them that I involved with, that I say I would have finished, I'm gonna leave them up to the stepbrother, since he's the one getting the pleasure and all the things them. And I don't matter if a birthday party or what kind of party you go. You know what I mean? It means nothing to me really. It's just that right or right and wrong or wrong. You know what I mean? So I wish you the best still, you know. If it was back in the days when I was vile, I would have done something crazy and end up in prison. You know what I mean? So, but no, I'm not that person anymore. I am older and wiser. So all I can say, have a nice life. Alright? Don't come on my phone.
please. Please don't go.
What am I gonna wait on? I'm gonna wait till that brother of yours give you 10 children and I sit around like an idiot. I know everything that you want.
Never mean for you. It was just a mistake, and I'm sorry. Please forgive me and don't go.
What if I do what you did?
But fire, you just have to understand. So me never know it didn't gonna happen.
Lot of your sisters, you know, throw themselves at me, you know, and I'll be blocking them and citing all of the things that they say just because I have love for you. So when you go and do this, you don't know what that hurt me. So what if, alright, do I have permission to get one of your sister pregnant?
No.
Why not?
Because I didn't do it intentionally, it just happened. I was just drinking and I get drunk and it just happened.
I want to make one of them mistake too with one of your sisters then. Do you love me?
Yes, I do. Yeah, everything for you. Just can't walk up on me like that.
The thing about it, I gave you my all. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give you a chance then. What you gonna do? You're gonna carry that baby for your stepbrother, and I'm gonna get one of your sister pregnant.
No, Fire, I can't do that.
This is where it is. So you gotta make up your mind. You go call me and give me permission, else I'm never gonna talk to you again. Right? Because I'm hurting so much, and when I'm hurt, I think about revenge. All of your sisters look good, and I block my mind from them. Even when the devil is telling me I should tell one of them, I block my mind because the love I have for you. So now that you do what you do, I need permission from you. When you're ready, make up your mind. Right? And it can work out. I will forgive you if you give me one of your sisters to get pregnant. I won't love them, I will still love you, but that's a sacrifice for my love.
Sis, dear.
Well, you know, so when the only party did I kick door, me need junk, and me and Keita just end up sleeping in the same room, and something happened.
But girl, that was stepbrother.
I'm gonna get pregnant, I'm gonna tell Fire, and then I tell me say, him want one of us to get back pregnant for him as revenge. And that's the only way I'm gonna forgive you. I know I say I'm a stepbrother, but he never planned the joke, girl.
Girl, I'm talk about your mom and your sister just because of that. Like, I never like say intentional or anything. But anyways, if I'm true love, you wouldn't say that. And you know, me can't go do it if you can want to keep my virginity until I'm 20. Until I find the right one and I'm married and settle down. You see?
Girl, in same hurt and in order for you forgive me, and that's him I forgive. So I'm not even know what to do right now.
Really rough. Anyways, me reconsider it until if I can ever, yeah? That's it.
Come.
Sister, I'm there.
Girl, this is saying no more, I'm married.
They're hot. Okay, I'm back there. Okay, calm down. Anyway, girl, after we did a talk about with your boyfriend, we say because you go breed for your stepbrother, you have to go breed one of your sister. So, me I consider say, if me do that, when me go get out of him. So you see the crown where you have back about the front of your drive, I'm gonna need that. And me know say you only have we only have a breed because you want to squeeze out where you go breed for my stepbrother. But still I have to care love for the child. Cause me know you have to love me, because I don't really care about that. I just want you have love for the child, see my God. Me now you just go get up and breed for no man because just didn't want to carry revenge for nobody. No. If you take care of the child until the child reach 18 or older, if him want to, and then somebody can get the girl.
You can get the girl. Me do anything for fire. And of course, I'm gonna love you and baby. Yeah, I'm gonna take care of baby, same way, everything. You know?
Okay.
Does happy say you do this to me as a sister?
You know, we have blood already.
So me have to love you, you know? Love you, little sister.
So anyways, I'm gonna fry plant now. I'm gonna finish fry plant now.
Girl, feel good there.
Girl, you have to eat it like it's very nice.
Today has been a very bad day for me. Very, very, very bad.
So what going?
Alright. You know, sir, we have a new girlfriend, right? So, you get happy, you know, say something I go through something.
Come meet me one hour.
And I swear for this girl, I swear for her, say, yes, she's the best and this. And she called me. And she called me since morning and said she wants something to talk. Go over there, go drink some tea. And it's alright, she has something good to tell me.
So what she tell you?
Before she tell me, say right then, me and her have sex but protected. You know, some is a youth want more picnic because I have one picnic with you already. One daughter, right? So I say, what if I could get one more picnic now? Can you give me a nice daughter and everything good? So I say, she said for wait till she at 25. So I working on boats. She called me this morning, so she has something to tell me. She had tell me, say, she pregnant. So I said, oh, you get pregnant?
Maybe boots boss.
No, the boots are my boss. She had tell me she got one party. Or she got the party, it's a family party. And she and her stepbrother.
She and her stepbrother do something.
Yeah, because then she drunk and them end up have sex and she pregnant. She knows her feeling. So she don't know how it hurt my mind. One time I said I go lick her, you know.
But no lick her, leave her alone.
But me as a youth, me reason virgin them all the while. I want him to say to them, say, blood, it's a bun, can't done. Can't done. You get it.
But you get the whole bakery.
I just one of them things there. I guess it's karma, you know. Because we made there, we used to have 1 and 2 girls and I used to cry about it. So I guess
Yeah,
at my time now we feel it. So me just alright then. We just hold it as a G.
So what you plan to do with her?
Now me not value a decision, you know, I don't know where to do. You know what I mean?
So how your conversation matter me now?
No, because sometimes you want somebody to talk to. You know, so after them talking, you can have like makeup sex. You know, if you want to do it.
Me alright. Makeup who?
Like, you know, so me down and now, that can lift me up. The good stuff, you know, if you do the good stuff.
But like how you're down and she do that, you know, just go water the head.
That's unsafe to you. That's not unsafe.
You gotta just wear a jacket and you know no tie pan in or nothing. You need a tie.
No.
So go and get it, the tie.
Differently from that. I make her a proposal, man. So, because she love me going to bed. I say I make her a proposal with her. So if the proposal work, you hear about it.
Oh.
Yeah, man. If a man, I don't up on the road and up and down. Watch her. She call me, you know. Hello?
Yeah, something to talk to you about, so you can come over, please.
Me I hear a man talk.
Just come over.
Good news or bad news?
Good news to you.
Good news to me. So what, bad news to you?
Just come over.
I soon come, see. I soon come. Give me a little time there. But then I want meeting, so I soon come. Give me a little time. Give me a little time. Yeah, man, look at time. I soon forward. Soon forward. Alright. So I tell you, one of them things that she did call me. Nice girl, you know. Let me tell you, when you take off her clothes, you know, you're not similar. Clean skin. You know, I choose woman, them proper. I don't really want to riff-raff, right? Yeah. So I tell you, really love her. There's as much as I'm love you, I just don't know why you don't work out between me and like say me never want to work out, but you just don't work out. We have some temper there. When time is clash, like you also burn down. So
You can't go work.
you can't really
Me
work.
glad you know say me you can't work.
We try. But anytime you want to look at juice when you're well run dry, you can call me. You know that. Always there for you.
Alright.
Always standing up for you. Anyway, I just let me come for this. Get off of my chest. I want to hear what she have to say now because I don't know what she going to tell me say, but I want to hear the final conclusion. If she not give them what I want to hear, everything will just walk away. And she really mashed me up though. I can't believe say she really go have sex with her who a step right.
Well, I guess she said she did a drink, so.
She did a drink. We know also when she drink, you know, she get tipsy, you know, she get freaky.
What heap of things are going to drink now. Mali and all.
I know what she put in her drinks, but I look at birthday party, I don't know. Whatever it be then, still alright. So, those, you know, accept it for what it is. You know what I mean?
Which is right. So where you going now?
Like me say, I go back over.
Alright, drop me down on the road.
Alright. Yeah, you're not going to go to the town?
No.
Alright.
Just drop me down on the road.
Just go to the town. My shot for me.
May I come?
Where's the sister?
She never.
Just come. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Anything. You know I love it, right? Big man like me that me had a cry. Just reach home, I couldn't turn me and left out a yard back. Where you have to
Well, my sister agreed to do this something where I said she will carry the baby for you forgive me. And she said she want me crown so I can give her it.
Well, that's a step in a good direction. Because we can get back a car, I can buy back a crown. But when I'm not happy, the world is not happy. So, I like to hear from her though. So let's just come and talk to me.
Alright.
So you are aware of what your sister did, right?
Yes.
And you agree to do what's necessary.
Yes, I'm only angry because I'm a sister.
I know that you've been eyeing me just as I've been looking at you, but because I trust your sister so much, I block all my eyes from you, right?
Okay.
But now it's an open market where two wrong is gonna make one right.
But no, the only reason why I did this is because I'm my sister. You don't really love me, so I mean, I really don't care or anything. But you see, me carry a child for 9 months, and when I push it out, yeah, I talk about say you not take care right. You only do it because my sister got that. Just not say yeah, I did man after.
Anything that come out of I and you is gonna be loved because I am loved, right? So I expand my love from your sister to you. So I actually am capable of loving you now as I love your sister.
Okay.
Yes. So
Well,
I will
listen.
take care of mine.
Listen, as I said before, I'm not really care for love me only do it because I'm a sister, and I just, maybe should tell you. In order for me the way she want, she have to give me a crown or you buy give her. So I must have the crown me do it first then. And as me say, if me push out the child and you don't mind it, just hang yourself before me find you.
Yeah. And if you bring a child from me, I'm gonna build your house too and maybe buy you a next crown or a Benz.
Okay, that sounds good.
So we will meet at the location because I want to carry somewhere nice. Alright, you tell her. You know I can talk about that. You hear everything what we're talking about a while ago? Well, you can go and talk to her. And I will be in contact with both of you. Alright?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too.
I can't get some cash pot in there. Oh, God. Yeah, man. Anything you say me for do, me I go do it. One a dirt, a dirt. Hear me I tell her. But anyway you do, this one girl coming up. I'm going to talk to her because I don't want to impasse. You see me? I call her back later. So come on. Sexiness.
Morning.
Alright, you can have 1 minute of your time, please.
They are worrying about alright.
Anyway, good morning.
Morning.
From other day, I admire a pass with a boyfriend. Where are you doing? Look a boy there.
I'm a boyfriend and I love him. So I don't know what you talk about. I love him, I'm a boyfriend, I give me everything I want, I'm not gonna leave him for nobody.
You say anybody hurt you, I pray for them, you know. Because if anybody broke on you, I'm gonna murder them. You hear me I say to you? That come talk about buy, me can buy anything. You don't see car me a drive. See a Benz me a drive.
Tell the truth, I know what you talk about, you know, because me, I love him. Even though you say I drive, I'm a walk foot, I still love him.
You know, say a joke. Yeah, make I see it. That's how you look like it. Are you feeling like my seat?
Oh, Jesus.
Here what? When you take my number, because I know you go need it, you know. And I ask you. I tell you. You hear me I say? So take my number.
I'm not gonna need it still, no, but I just take it. How you go?
So 386 0 22 6. I'm my name Brad. Alright.
Hi.
See you again here. I'll tell you look like neat. Can't wait to see you again, you know. Jesus Christ.
You don't call up a name.
What do you mean when I call my name? I mean, you call my name.
Me not call up a name. Call up a name, say what?
What me can't call up my name?
Me not call up a name. Just let me go. Me not call up a name.
You not call up my name.
Me not call up a name.
Look here, me do your thing. Stop call up my name.
Alright. Me not call up a name.
And if me say I call up my name again, I'll lick you in your face.
Alright.
Watch and see.
I'm gonna tell me man what you do me. If you don't come and make him murder you, just what?
Go away. I ain't going to anybody I go for. Feel me afraid of people?
Stop. Where are you going?
You may have come. One girl don't start beat me up.
Beat up. Come on.
Yeah, see Aria, she took off my face, so.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Where am my girlfriend now? Cause
Your
she tell
girl
me
use him out too much. Where you come for defend?
I make you jerk off her face.
You use him out too much. You come for the defend?
Hold on, I'm free for him. I take out some.
No!
You know what
Fight him.
I pass a jingling song, you know?
You could have a bit Jesus.
I'm pray for you. You want to read a prayer, you know maybe?
Wait.
Pray
Ready?
I pray for you. You want to read a prayer?
for who?
I pass a jingling song, you know? Hey,
Come
calm down.
take a big stone and lick
come on,
Why
come on,
you
let's
go
go.
around the yard?
What's up, man?
I'm going to make daddy pray for you.
One!
And you're too soft, me nobody want you.
Calm down, man.
Because imagine me care go up and say you can't shame me.
I don't see look on that the girl.
That no say.
Bad girl.
Me not in that with you. Hear me, you done right you now. You're too soft. How me you go work out?
Just give me another shot.
Me no want to
You
soft,
make daddy
man.
pray for you. Everything go okay.
Hello. In the prayer not to come true. You know what we done right so here?
Me chance, man.
Don't do that.
You know I love you already. Behave now.
Excuse for you, so me no want you, man.
Behave yourself now.
So me no want you. Leave me alone. Hello?
Hello.
You know who you talk to?
Yeah, man, pick up your voice.
Alright, well, you know, say something I tell you do. What just happened? You hear me?
What you say again?
Me I tell you something what just happened.
What happened?
Alright, me I walk, right?
Yeah.
And this girl come to me and juke off my face.
What you say?
Yes. And me carry my boyfriend come down and I go and softy. So me left him.
Jesus Christ. I'm telling you the boy is half.
So, all me I say is, me ask you say if you could have mash a crime for me.
Right now.
Alright, just if I do it, me and you can do.
Alright then. Which part of it?
You want a big white house stand up.
Alright, now come on up on the road now then.
Alright.
Who else play with? Whoa.
One girl.
Which girl? Where in there?
She up the front.
Come on. You're fine. Like what Cam go show me the girl, you know. You hear me? I tell her. Where in there?
Up there so.
Go for it beside it. Cam go show me, you know. Because I'm a serious man. I don't laugh with people and mess with my loved one. Where in there? She that there. You see there's a door right so. Come on. Come on. Yo, you know what you do for me? Well, I'll apologize to my girlfriend.
Brad, me didn't know say I hear a girl. If me didn't know say I hear a girl, I would have been so rough. I swear.
So anything she do you do it back to she right now. You hear me I tell her? You say do it now. What you are going like you're afraid of me? You say I'm a bad man, I'm not afraid of nobody. A response to your district. Juke off in your face, me say. Say juke off in now. Cause you tell anybody round here say my girl is us. Anybody try nothing, shoot them. You hear me? I tell you, you shouldn't apologize, you know. Say if you didn't apologize, I did that, so you know. Come on, babes. That's so early I got school.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Why ain't money I go to find a girl? Hey, you know, say me, I want money in my life. You look nice too. Hold on to me. No, not like this, no, don't buy it. Like you stand up there, no?
Yeah.
Sure.
Watch out, away, let him go. Let him go. Let him go. No call the police. No call the police.
There's nothing like God left me strap in a man. You see, boy, catch me half yard in you.
Get up.
No like everything here in you. They know me staying in you. That keep me
Get up, man.
funny, you know. Come and tell me no like God left me strap. If you ever have me strap,
Give me back.
tell them what you are you. If you ever have me strap for me, no like left me strap. If you have me strap, he's dead.
I don't make us see.
You hear me? I tell you, jealous boy, jealous. China take your woman good. And you man find a better man than him. But here what?
Just don't know.
Hear me?
People are here. Fucking nice.
You know what? One of school, I sort out this. You hear me? I tell you.
Nobody do him, no.
Go ahead, get up. Go up before you go, so come. Get up. Hello. Sister Mary. You know see the pastor son for morning. You know say I him want to do because he say I'm gonna pray for me. Because some cross I follow me from other day, you know. More than a graveyard, you know. You hear me? I tell them I don't really understand what them a cross I follow me. You see it? What you say? Run a back road. Alright. Alright. No man, everything good, man. Everything good. I know major problem, you see me? Everything good. Just you say you want to pray for me and just want to take off my crosses off of me, you see it? Alright. Later. Yeah. Hey boy. Hey boy. If I ever hold a boy, make a man a ball for you, boy. Boy, make a man a ball for you. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey, pastor. Hey. Hey boy. Go in there. If I ever hold a boy, make a man a ball for you, boy. Hey boy. You know what I do? Yo. Yo. You see me now, yo. If I hold him, I see him make it bad. Yo. Brother Deacon, morning. I know say and daddy put on your badness still in about. I tell you the truth, I need the help. I want a gun. I know I say nothing to daddy. One brown boy named Brad's diss me. I want a gun. Alright.
Ask me for budget for. That's for budget for. Budget all news. Remember budget all news. Now all of them see on budget. How come a different man they have upstairs now? Me know why you walking on my footstep in like a girl. And me tell her every day. You wanna know the reason why me and Bujo left? The reason why me and Bujo left is because other day me I walk up the road, one girl see me and shoot off my face, and me and my love self run down to Bujo now. God feels say he gonna help me. When I come out, I'm pray. Me not in that. So me go to Brown Man, then him come to the rescue and make me go back and juke off the girl face. Yeah. Me no want no soft man, but too soft. Me chat about pray. Everything will happen. Pray. Me in that. Brown man having gun, he will shoot anybody feeling. Anybody a bad man, me like me no soft as they. Let's try to tell you.
You say one bad man? I'm tell about bad man now. Bad man come with consequence. You see last bad man me there with, me have to sleep in a night Jew. Me have to sleep on the old bridge. See when in black and blue my eye, me never have nobody to turn to. So you lucky you didn't have Buju for run go to and him tell us I'm gonna pray for you. Me never have nobody. You have to sleep out that door. Some place me say you didn't want to know.
So I can never call police.
Me do that girl. And so me call them, they could help me. Cause I don't take police them afraid of him. And next bad man kill him. Make me get flip out of film relationship now. I know mother still around.
A girl got to do what a girl got to do. So the love woman have for the bad man overdue. So leave me here.
Brittany!
We are forward.
I want you to say it.
Where are school so?
Sit down now, talk to you now. So girl, how you feel a bad man up your way so long? Eh?
We did talk to her.
Eh? Yo, me I wonder why you and your sister talk about man. What not talk say?
We not chat about no. Oh, I fear man we are chat about.
Fear man, I hope you and your sister on my name, you know.
We not just the for your name.
You hear me tell her? For me get one more.
Me say if you go lick me in the back room.
Like it's a nasty word.
But no me can't
I don't
answer
lick.
word.
I don't lick.
Go on.
If you want to talk, yo. Yo. Cho, you see Cho, you get me upset. Not remember what you tell us, you know. You see that before I go to me here. You know, so I see the boy Bojo. I'm running down. I'm bust shot off him. I kill me, they want to kill him, you know. Yo, I not even didn't know, so. The big belly boy, the fast. You see me, they hold him. I'm dead, you know. I make him bad up ball for him, you know.
So why you want to shoot the man? Just because the man get 2 fists in your belly? I love the man still love me, that's why I'm a fist you up and I deal with you so. You know have to deal with him so because he and I like saying you nothing that bad. I just 2 fists.
Yo, how you talk like you still love a big belly boy so? One time people this your road, and me a come for. Eh?
But we still love him, what you talk about? So we that far?
How you talk about your little big belly boy for? Eh? One time people this your road and me a call on the phone. I can't talk about come save you. And I want to I'm a juke out of 2 years of them. And me a call for rescue. Eh? You can never call the big belly boy.
And it's me I tell the truth and I still love you.
You know say I eat that in take man for.
Me not take it for eat and I tell her the truth and it's me love you and I tell her stop it.
Push up. Push up. You know someone a killer, you talk killer so. Mine, you know. See if you talk so again. I'm butting your fire with the air, man, I tell you.
Downstairs.
Rush come out, man. Yo, you know what, I'm going to come out because I don't want damage, you know. Yo, what the fuck, you know? I'm not there tonight, you know. Someone pack up your clothes, them. I can sleep in my yard tomorrow night. You hear me, I tell you? You know, you're nice, man, yo. That me, I tell you. Hush my mouth.
I'm gonna put myself through Jesus.
Brother Deacon. Me there on a back road, man. Alright, hurry up. Yeah. Brother Deacon. Daddy.
Come in like that, sir. Come in like that. What kind of trouble you get yourself in now? Come in, man. Come on, no. Alright. You turn off your car. That's serious. What you want going for? Tell me.
Daddy, I want brownie with the name Brad. You run me down with gun because of woman.
Run you down with gun?
Yeah.
So you have a woman already? And you not bring her coming to church?
Our sister come to church, Daddy, but she not come. Invite her enough time.
If people find out them things and say my son out there, I fornicate, a problem, you know, man. And you mix up in a gun too, eh? That make it worse. What you mean, sister? You say one, that's all?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes one like if you grew up in a church, God knows, sometimes one know what yourself, man, you know, I get this one. But what you saying him? Brad? Which one you come from?
Around a 12th Street.
12th Street?
Yeah.
How you look?
He bleach out, man, and he have one tattoo.
Alright, know what you say. Maybe.
And he here no do teeth, no cane, no nothing, no flat. That's when it happened, he had it pull out.
Oh, alright, don't worry yourself. Brad, me be with this. So what you do, just go on back home. Alright? Me go look for him.
You can't leave me around, Daddy.
No. You find yourself come around so come to pick up gun. You find yourself go back at your yard. And about the top of the woman yard. Alright?
Yeah, no, Daddy.
You know there's someone around for man, something feel or something. You can't tell me. You tell me I be a picnic. You tell me fool. But they pan here long before you. But you're not there man around down. You're with gun. It's not serious, man.
Family thump him in the belly for a long time.
For a long time. You know what I'm saying? I don't want matters to get worse. You understand? And I don't want you to get hurt. Go on. What maybe?
Alright.
I don't pass back your head up on the road, you know. Okay?
Text me.
I swear to I'm brown you growing and saying. Wait. Yeah man. Me ask me. See if I Hey youth. Come here, youth. Yeah man.
Go on, sir. Good night, sir.
I look for brother, you name brother?
How you look from the door for?
Me have something to give man.
Something to give me or something to tell me?
Something for give, man. You don't know, man. I'm the pastor, man. You don't know me.
No, must you come and tell me.
Your mother give me something for give, man.
Mother.
Yes, man.
I don't know my mother.
Listen, man, born before you. You know your palm, you know your mother.
I can't contact me.
Alright. As a matter of fact, I pray I come to pray to you. I pray for you. Because me here say you have some problem with my youth, you know. You understand? So, yeah, man, Mr. Bright.
Pastor.
I mean, say, man. Me say you're my son, no problem. Walk with me, because you see the book here, you can hold the book in and it can save your life. You understand? And it can keep you out of trouble. So, for your sake and my sake, I want you to leave my son alone.
So if you want a son to leave me alone too,
Listen, me, man, my son is a good youth. My son not do wrong. I mean, say I run him down with God. You understand?
Daddy, if you make you know, so you take care of your girl. You understand? You know how to take care of your girl, so that's why girl. Don't let him. Just to film girl come on my foot now, you want to use badness. So me, I'm making you know something on the street. I'm a response to run, son. I think I'm response to run, you see?
Wow. You know what I'm there before you're born. You know when you just born you're a baby and you can run the whole street and I don't run nowhere. That's my yard.
You know, we have links all about, you know.
Oh yeah,
We
links
have
all
bad man
about.
and scammer, so you know you go.
Alright, don't go yourself, man. So you want me to read a Bible verse for you?
Well, you can keep the Bible verse, and go pray for your son.
And pray for my son. Alright. Pray for your son. Don't move. You take out your dick. Don't move, boy. Don't move. If you move, I'm going to expose the machine. And everybody knows the pastor have a long gun on him, boy. Watch it. Yo. Youth. Me kill you and pray for you. And come at your funeral, come minister that. You don't know me.
Daddy, I'm not afraid of that, you know.
You're not afraid of that? You know what I used to do before church? Before saving life? I take me to take life. So you hear me I say? I don't want you to jam me out. So go back down the road there. It's when I see my son, if you live on the right, you walk left.
But daddy, hear me now. I'm not really cut your argument because I know you're a big man. I understand every man a man.
Yeah.
Your son, you a big belly son. You never tell him, say.
You're hungry, make you watch my son belly.
Daddy.
I'm hungry. Yo, I listen,
daddy,
man.
Daddy, we are talking about hungry.
Yo,
Man never have money, man never cash it.
Man never cash it. I'm rich tomorrow and broke a morning. That's more that sound, but you comprehend. You may say, go on away, go on away, go on away, go on away, son. Go on away. I don't want you to make me sin in that.
Big belly son told no. So took out a big people business. Man,
Go on away.
church business when it happen.
I'm going to pray for you tonight.
Pray for your son.
Don't worry yourself.
Your sister girl, I got money out here because you see the food where they cook, me can't eat it. It don't taste nice. Me can't live with that. You see, if me there my money yard, me I get free KFC because my bad man, he just go there go bad them up and me get free KFC. Me can't live if I want me don't have my money yard call me. I better keep my mouth shut. Not tell mommy, daddy, nobody.
You sure you know who you talk to?
Yes, my big sister we can't cook.
Look, girl, you can hardly wash your drawers good, but you come to me in my presence with your bright self. I can't talk about your gaman yard and about me can't cook. You know, manners, I respect. Me you under this roof for how long I know you come bright yourself with me. You try to fence up your argument and you come to me with the foolishness.
Who can wash them drawers good? The reason why your man left because you can't wash your jars good. I can't cook, you can't do nothing, you can't wash, cook, clean, nothing. Look for your chat, but me can't wash my jars good. Hotter than bright.
If me no cook, you no name. If me no go out and go work, you no have no your work list is big and work list is a give me. Other day you know where did have one yeast infection. I who can a doctor with it. But I me want come bright with. You don't know manners. You don't know respect. You little girl that you know stop to make it up and lick you in your face, you know. I tell you this, you know. Alright. You better you go on back upstairs and go fence up your argument and think about who you talk to. You go run back a man. Back a fool man. The man not even have sense. None tall. A dummy. You come and compete. When you did there with the first boyfriend, you were such a brand new young lady. You did nice and look good and everything. Now you look like Croft. You just a pop down yourself, man. Go on upstairs and mind yourself with me. For me get up and lick in your face.
Okay. Only thing you have a mouth. You know who is my man? He's my top chopper, top scammer. That me I try to tell you. And we can shell right you now. And by the way, we are talking about have infection. And you give me infection. Your mouth give me the infection. Outside and bright. If I feel like say bad, come touch me but slap in her face. I want to take this a girl here. Bright and outside. When I step out of here, pull me back. Because we see what going on this.
Brittany, you still stand up in front of me with your argument them? You still stand up right there so? You dey run back a dirty foot boy and I come talk about a top scammer this, top scammer that. And if me no give you nothing, if me no buy you one pad, you no get none. If me no give you things, you no have it. And that me I try to tell a little girl, me I warn you know. You hear me keep on I warn you.
What you mean? You go slap me in my face? You're bright. Me tell you some man a bad man, you know. If I try nothing, he will come for you. Because they love me, that me I try to tell you. So where you turn up for? No, me not take your face and me go take a lick. Me not turn up in here and make you beat me. That me I try to tell you. Me a 15 plus. Next week on my birthday, me go turn 16, so you can't chat to me. Me free for do what I want to do. Me not come outside, bitch, bye.
Before you left, come here.
We are come for where you want.
You see when you argue with somebody or trusted people, you're not supposed to have any things. You're not supposed to have nothing for them. You understand me? I entire wear you every day come out and say house and make it. So listen.
Don't touch me. First of all, the bread we having, and the bread I'm having in my head, you go upstairs, go take them up and plot in them in your head.
Yeah, no wonder they want to scratch me. Give me.
Hey, how will I try? How much you?
Oh, see more what? Yo.
Watch out.
Me not talking with you.
Sit down. Don't play with me. I can't be around with. Could never.
Oh, so you have chest?
Of course. Yeah. You know me? Hey.
Stop. Oh no, fight for.
You know what? Give me bag.
Give us bag. You're not doing that.
Give me bag. We pull out the bread and not there.
Hey man, you got my shoulder.
What you are? What you are doing? What you are doing? What is the friend that you want? Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Oh, calm down.
Give me my bag. Pay a piece of my friend. You know what? Let me go to you. I'm going to man yard. I'm going to man yard and I come back. But I'm back. Take that. Come on, can't buy me more bag.
You're going to suffer.
You're going to suffer.
You're going to suffer.
You already suffer already.
You're going to suffer. Mark it down 10. Your man going to continue to kill you with me.
You already have suffered this year.
Your man going to continue to kill you with me.
Know yourself.
One. When
me do
I
it,
will get you itchy here about this. Wait. You see I have full amount. Wait. One. Yeah, me have to ask myself, you know, crosses. What you want?
Yo, calm down, man. You know, look nice, you know. You two on one sister. You know, say she me come here for see door.
Right, I know she dead to me. You hear?
Yeah, me I say. You see, from me and her left, me can't sleep at night time. You come like a right time in my forward pan to see two on one fight.
Somebody wear crosses. You say you can't live your life. You can't sleep, you can't eat, you can't do nothing. So your life not good from before. Cause a cross is that, you know?
No, you can't say that. Me love her, you know.
Yeah, waste your time. Waste your time. I run after him. In the one boy, we're willing to kill anybody right now. Over she. Butterfoot boy. Nah-beard boy. Idiot boy. You know one of them? It's like one dirty foot. Idiot. Brown boy from down the road. And that the man name around there now.
Who that you talk?
Brad, you don't know Brad from down the road?
So really me, she left and gone there that the boy left?
Yes, that's why I tell you crosses.
What you mean I say differently? Now that me say everything good and no squash the fight and everything, me go on my yard, go consume some food car. I really she me the comfy still, you know. And I can't believe I'm forward. And yes, she gone on my yard, you know. Alright, so we link then here.
Yeah man, think cool, I'll now cast the chair now too.
Pizza man is here now. Pizza man is here. Pizza man is here now.
Pizza.
You call it cheese pizza. Pizza man.
Hold on, come in.
What is it? What is it?
Who sent you, sir? Who sent you?
Yeah, chill out. How me you say I call out my name? Eh?
When? Are you dead, my sister?
Me not to talk too hard, you know. You hear me I tell you?
Aye. So where you come going to kill me?
Me say, I don't want to put your mouth and your nose like I'm shoot it off.
Well, my sister at the end of the day, I'm going to look.
Listen, I don't want you to come in between the two of us. You hear me I tell you?
Oh.
If I make your face one more time and kiss your teeth, I take a gun back and lick out your teeth them. Yeah. I don't want to shoot off your nose, man. But you know what you do for me? I take your mouth, your nose, from out of my sister's business. You hear me I tell you? And don't make it happen again. I don't want to come for you.
Yeah, man.
But
me not say nothing against you, my sister. I encourage you, you know.
So what kind of thing them me I hear you talk about me? I'm not a bad guy, you know.
My sister probably tell you get it wrong. Me not do that. Me encourage her every day with you.
Are you a spread propaganda for me?
No, no me.
For me?
Me not look in my face and me kill her.
So look for me because I not laugh.
Alright. Brother, you know, so me have something to talk to you about sister.
You're not going to ask me nothing about myself if you tell me what's your problem.
Right now, the problem serious, you know, because me get violated.
What you say?
Stitchy, let me tell you this. Me talk to sister about the whole boyfriend business and tell him say the boy not good enough for him and a good man that day, right? I tell him, I go tell her that now. She go home, go tell her man say, me I try to break up for them relationship and all type of something and I bring all type of news to him and something. I make the man come stick me up
But yes, I know she go home. Before she live.
Now with the boy in there,
So now you had him to live with you.
me can't stop him from go with party. I go call me. I try to talk to her and I tell her say the man and a good man for him. Instead, me I try destroying relationship and this that really.
Oh, I want him. I know put John in there.
No, you know, he left Buju a while now and stuck up this boy where they carry gun and all type of something. And make him run in for me with gun just because me talk to her and tell him say I'm a good man for him.
That's serious, man. But here what? But now I'm able to come down there immediately, you know. Because me and my girlfriend up there, so my man we are different, you know, so me I'm trying pencil out some things with him. I'm trying to pencil out some things with her because
Stitchy, me I go want you to come deal with this situation now because it get out of hand.
you know, I cannot reach down there every couple of days because my daughter's birthday is coming up and I promised her to take her somewhere to she's 5 now, she's gonna turn 5. That's a little niece. Do you call her and tell her happy birthday?
All that slip my mind when me I try to tell her is that he stick me up with gun. What you want me to do?
No.
My life did depend on a point. The girl gonna take up man we willing enough to kill we just to try to protect my little sister.
What I'm saying, don't worry. Give me a day or two, I'm gonna be down there. When you see her, tell her to call me. Call her on the phone, tell her to call me. But give me some time. You know, I have one issue up here with my girlfriend because buy her one Benz and she don't like the Benz, so I get her one Crown instead. So I'm gonna bring her to the car mart and make she change with some paperwork and then I have my little baby that the daughter and a younger one to carry go treat her for her birthday. So when we done that, I'll be at the 200 disposal. So tell that girl to call me because I don't know what's in her head. Mommy gone after and left the house, the one down there. And me have my money.
And she pick up herself gone, say I go live with man because the man he rate this man and say I don't want me to send up in a situation. The young girl took up himself gone with man when we kill him. If he get out of hand now, he kill him, you know.
Alright, we must know. Give me the time and just try to talk to her till I come home.
Me try all of that already.
Alright, but just stay till me forward then. That's
Yeah,
good.
alright.
But just stay till me forward.
Alright.
They have one month of thing, alright?
Alright, then I'll lock up the place.
Alright.
Alright, later. Stitchy, me I go want you to come deal with this situation now because it get out of hand.
You know, I cannot reach down there every couple of days because my daughter's birthday is coming up and I promised her to take her somewhere to she's 5 now, she's gonna turn 5. That's a little niece. Do you call her and tell her happy birthday?
All that slip my mind when me I try to tell her is that he stick me up with gun. What you want me to do? My life did depend on a point. The girl gonna take up man we willing enough to kill we just to try to protect my little sister.
What I'm saying, don't worry. Give me a day or two, I'm gonna be down there. When you see her, tell her to call me. Call her on the phone, tell her to call me. But give me some time. You know, I have one issue up here with my girlfriend because buy her one Benz and she don't like the Benz, so I get her one Crown instead. So I'm gonna bring her to the car mart and make she change with some paperwork and then I have my little baby that the daughter and a younger one to carry go treat her for her birthday. So when we done that, I'll be at the 200 disposal. So tell that girl to call me because I don't know what's in her head. Mommy gone after and left the house, the one down there. And me have my money.
And she pick up herself, gone, say, I'm going to live with man because the man he rate this man and say, I don't want me to say nothing in a situation. The young girl pick up himself, gone with man, if he kill him. If he get out of hand, now he kill him, you know.
Alright, we must know. Give me the time and just stop, try to talk to her till I come home.
Me try all of that already.
Alright, let's just stay till me forward then. That's
Yeah,
good.
alright.
Let's just stay till me forward.
Alright.
We have 1 month to continue, alright?
Alright, then I'll lock up the place.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Hmm? What is that?
Horse!
You know them?
Horse!
Wait. Can you swim? So you're going like Karen left me. Hello, don't go in the water, me there now. Hello? Huh? Uh-huh. You can't make a dolly do it, so. You can't go for the dolly? Can you go for the dolly? No, you cannot swim. Do not go there. Left hand. Don't go for it. Do not go. Do not go there.
Me la here.
No. Me have to go for the dolly in the pool. Wow, you get enough trouble doing now. Come.
I put 3 bar minutes.
Let go. See there now. Yeah, swim there now. Yeah, swim there now. Alright. You swim there now?
No!
You don't know?
No!
Huh?
No!
You nobody want to swim?
No.
That's swimming. You nobody want to swim? Sit down right there and don't move. Come. You have to carry her back home, you hear me? Shoo! That is you now. Woo!
Again.
No, don't know. Have to go back. 20 people. Well, ready the plum tree and the plum tree is alright. Come. Ready or no? That was good. That was good. Come. That was good. Dope a mandeville. Find this nice girl, you know. And start then things go good. One yard about 3 sisters did there. Some nice girl, man, you know what I mean? Some pick the best one out of a lot and did there. She had 20 yard, you know what I mean? 22, 21, no region them, I focus on it. But she don't want to get pregnant till she had 25. I start then, go and do the thing, I say, nah, go look at college and thing and buy her one crown. Because we're not some money where in some construction and get a big piece of project. You do it, for make money could and buy 2 crowns. So I must buy her one for herself. And I just rest of the money instead of buy one for myself. Because I have my mother vehicle drive. Because she don't fire me, just come here and take you up and go back and just lift back to my time. You know, I don't really need that. I just have a normal vehicle and move on the place if you find that. So now, go up the back. Girl that tell me she's pregnant. She's pregnant for stepbrother. So I wonder how to cope with it. I make a deal with her, but I wonder if it still will make sense.
The only thing we can do is say, you know, only hope you make a good deal. They say, me now, me would have to breed one of the sister them. Because me waste my money. And my money now go down in vain. Before I take off the 4 tire them off of the crown. And take off the crown sign and left her with the vehicle. So which one you rather? So you see I want to know my cousin.
Boy, when no one thing or the other. You know what I mean? Them say when you give women and take it back, one bitch and go over your eye. So for my local youth, we don't give and take back. So I can stay the crown. But what I do? The same thing, you know, I think the same way because we have farm belly. So I give her the option there. Say only way me really stay with her. Unless I get one, I have a virgin sister there. Where they save her virginity. For somebody special. So me thought, them make a deal and cut a deal. Because the next sister says she in need. Their relationship because if me cut left them, you know, problem, you know. You know what I mean? So she agrees to her then. She give me a picnic. You know what I mean? So yeah, it does depressing in one sense because you know when you trust and then you can't remember if he was a wild man, you know, we have 14, 15 one, you cut it down, you know, and I focus on one, you know. When no one they give problem in the man. Trouble, you know. So you just watch the answer right then. But you want to do that though. Because she don't agree, say she give me a picnic. But oh my god, look pan that girl now for me woman I breed. I know it's not my picnic. But anyway, we can't deny the same house, my breed her sister, every time I look on the sister, my picnic. So she will feel away. Make it feel like, yeah? Make it to her in her said house, because I want my picnic to grow in her same house. Make she can see it. But right in her face, every time she look over on her sister and see her belly said so, she knows how what she do cause that. And the reaction from the action. You know, say I want smart you would. Because I think about it if I'm right. But now that you clarify it, you can't create it. You know what I mean? So what go with you differently though?
You don't know what I mean? One of our family.
Yeah.
Call me, but they want my kidney. Eh? My poor little kidney if you could do what? Man, tell you. The sacrifice they really want to sacrifice it for what? I don't even know.
Them try to convince me, you know, say like I'm a Rasta, I'm a natural. I go and give them one of my kidney. You know what I mean? But end of the day still, it is what it is and it take what it take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? Them are wicked people them. Because first thing first, that woman there, she there foreign how long? And she no look upon none of the family member them. She no long she travel go foreign. Years upon years she travel. And she never help my mother, which is her sister. She never help your mother, which is her sister. They not unite together. So how come they want you now? To you are the poorest one. You understand what I mean? If you can't give them organs. Why? But I think they're not smart, you know. I think if them put them money where them out there, them have an artificial kidney where they can get one robot one put in her. I talk to them about that, man, because that's foolish. Suppose you cut out the kidney and the one kidney where you cut out, the next one no good. You understand? You go sacrifice yourself. But I not buy into the argument there. You know what I mean? I think it's wise for you to cut yourself, if you take out where your body need. everybody go need a kidney to do what you feel. If you never need to do it, you understand? So I cut off an argument to them. I say, no sense to be, you know. Those auntie just need to do what the old people them do back in Nigeria. When they have kidney problem, them parch dandelion and drink it. I know of a young girl, see, like, when she pee, people used to stay like Coca-Cola color because her kidney bad. And at the dandelion she parch. And now she's good and green and ready. You know what I mean? So, the bush is the remedy. And our doctors have to cut out. The bush, healing is in the bush. If bush can help you, I just say that. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life. Burn it down to your young. I just that me say to them. You understand?
I can't tell her, I say no. She can't get cow kidney, you know, and put in it.
But anyway, what do you them? They not get no youth.
Youth? My God, come on, cousin, man. That's 6 we get, you know. 6, but the problem is none of them are enough for me.
How come?
We still take care of them, man. It's like every minute they go and check out your tea. Somebody forced me. The 3 sisters of them, we check them. Somebody forced me. But we still have to take them. Because me help water the head and me just do what me can do. What me can buy, me can buy one thing I feed them buy. Lasco, because Lasco still can give them like a strength. Or me buy 1/2 pound of sugar. Me buy 6 half pound of sugar and carry go a yard. At least me I try my best. If me get a work right now, then get more than 1/2 pound.
Oh God. You can see all the night I come in and now. So my sister call me. Well in need. And from the poor side, because while daddy there go hard, you get some people down in the ghetto. That one day, that sister there, boy, she well in need of money and structure in her life. I don't know how I'm going to help her. You know what I mean? But then you look a bad one. You come down, you look a bad one, Tina. You look a bad one. You know that one there?
She bad long time, man.
Yeah, so I'll check a poor one first, and then I'll come a yard contact to the one down at Ali and Brittany. Brittany, me send the one like a bad boy where I kick him and box him on the place. So I'm going to try to save him. So I have a lot of things to do with this fast through to show you a little bit because it's up on my mind. Is it? You go work. Is it?
Alright, nothing.
Bunny, you know it go.
Yeah.
You are going on now. No, sir, we have reaching a big girl now. When we get a call, say, boy, you fight with a sister. And bag, I think it's not a good principle, you know. You know what I mean? You hear say you're there with you left one man, gone to one different man. Why problem? But we're not straight to one somebody and balance yourself with a young girl.
The one me did there with 2 soft, and I don't want no soft man. The other one now is rough. And you know if you hungry eating, you see it. You don't want no soft man. Ain't too soft, no want him.
Well, as my look at sister, I said to you, say, right now, you know, in the position that about this man or this man you want to wear, right? But if you date somebody who's soft and deal the good, I think you just stick to this man that deal the good more than somebody to beat you. Because I don't think you can manage the crime, mother never beat you, father never beat you. You understand? But if that's you want, you go get it. But anyway, you can go and do what you want to do. We are reaching to a teenager now, I go up. When you don't have a police, you are run up and down with this. Your sister can't manage you. So one thing I say to you do, whatever you do, or you're yelling, come here yard. Come here yard. You understand? So you send the sister out the door, they go and chat to the man. And them type of lifestyle you want to chat to him on the phone out there. So you really go like excitement. They say you want to go through 5 man calm, somebody can calm yourself and study upon the future. Education. Think about one house, think about one car, think about something structured. The wildlife no work. So as my little sister that I say to you differently. What you have to say about yourself now? What I want for you differently? What you plan?
What I want to be is, I want to be one doctor when time I grow up. So I say I'm a teenager, see I want to enjoy life. I want to know how it feels to grow and do this and do that, which I don't like saying nothing bad me I do. I just deal with somebody with rough. I understand, nothing wrong with that.
Hey, make I tell you something. Rough thing come with roughly across the face. And if you say you really want to be a doctor, where you go find time to study when you're looking at it? Your head not go good again. You understand? But anyway, if I beat you, ball out. Not lock up in a know with him if my beat upon one corner, ball run out in the road, make everybody see you. No one carrying up, go out, make people see and ball out here. Because we don't have many girls getting licked behind closed door and them now make a sound. They come out like they're happy, but when they go in, I be a kick. And thump and fist them, so I don't support it. You know what I mean? So oops in a fall down the line is there. Because when I was a bad man back in the days, I don't beat one, none at all. I do what I have to do, necessary to accomplish what I want to accomplish. And see that it worked in my favor. I could have dead like nothing bridging them, but we survived it. You know what I mean? So more you survive it too. Enough young girl are dead too. So be careful of the man that will choose, because some man jealous and they will kill you. You know what I mean? So if you stick to one, you stick to one. And not the generalship, because the generalship not to play out so good again, because the technology make everything so easy. A man can search a phone right now without you say anything, because there's way and Google. I can ask YouTube open your phone without getting your password. So you're going to save it and you can unlock your phone and no time going to all your message them. This is where it's at now. So you don't run down game with people. You see, if you're straight, you're straight. So if you're deal soft man, you're soft man. If you're tough man, you're tough man. Don't try to take it to them one time.
Well, brother, I know where you talk about.
Because maybe you're not going to survive it. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about your life story and everything, but oh, you're in school though.
Yeah, me I go to school, but every time my sister give me money, mommy send money, me know what she do with it.
I know some way I get her money. So you not really say she not getting her money. Now what talk to her when she come in back from the door? She out there a cussed man. I'm on my sister, I not even know on roll up say now. But I not want to talk things because my head not so good. You understand me? So I'm not too bad at it. Some go work out to you, but just focus. Focus. The soon back in our place or something that I know out also, because one person I go on up the line and we can't talk to you, you can reach the age yet. You know what I mean? But you will know. Yeah man. Fall axe. The end look at fall axe, your mother so why your foot stay so. And you know your mother fall say, yeah grow come, you go see. So you will see what going on earth when the time right there. So stay true my sister. What the next one there? Come on, go here now, you know man. Go call her. Come here for move. You have to live loving my sister. I talk to her, come here to go up on the road. Now drive up move on tonight, so. You then I place her now. What do you think of football in the city? Where's she going now? What going? Every time you see you look like you're a man stress, how about you?
I'm not a man stress, I'm good. Don't worry about me, I'm a man. But at the end of the day, you need to treat me like your umbrella. You make me have to go around, go find man to love me. And that break me or try to run down. I don't want him in that every day.
Hello, you looking for man to love you?
No.
Then if he need a man to love him, why is someone take it from a man for? I believe that is love. She don't know what is love, because she may get no father figure in her life to show him what is manly love.
What is love?
Me don't know either, no. Me long to it.
So you are search cheat. What is it? What have you find?
Me don't find nothing other than liars, cheaters, prostitutes and all type of things. They all know to try to trick you, take your things and do all type of things behind your back.
Listen to me. Do what you are doing for now, but don't end up like she, you know.
That's exactly the road where Brittany are going to run down, you know. Exactly the road.
Well, whatever I say now, you go to a doctor. You go by the help of Jah, you go to a doctor. Me I get some money on you know. I make some money on me, I know some things I know, so me I try.
I'm not to a doctor when the man when they will not stop licking. My mad, you know.
Not big man. Because the amount of liquor mommy get her mommy still good and she got turn her safari. What difference you talk about?
I run, mommy have to run if I have to walk.
No, mommy has to feel though. The amount of liquor she get in her head on the
If he there run, when he couldn't turn nurse.
But she don't start no lick it like that.
Me I say. You did always be I get lick. But you know say that my head may get lick him.
I know Pasha get lick.
Brittany. You me other day I have to try to copy boy from killer down the road.
Yeah, but I don't
Then they're
know.
not in an argument with me.
But I don't in my head.
But cut now, cut. I don't want to go too much in the bickering and bickering. What me I say now, I shout out, go up in line and come back.
Ever left, man. That's what you say.
They have
When
things
you
to
there,
do.
must say ever left.
I cannot sit down here like a security guard and police, you know, because you're a grown woman.
Yeah, man.
You are a grown teenager growing up, and like where you keep yourself to yourself.
Yeah.
But all the things say, choose the right boyfriend to deal with more than choose the one that go beat and abuse, right? Right? There's one that running for your sister. That one, the tag team body running for your sister because he maybe have played on the tie gun and maybe have a real gun or not, I don't know. What do you name?
You know, I tell him, Brad, that's his name.
One of the brown youth I have enough tattoo.
Yes, him say man.
Oh, so you say I'm a bad man now? Well, we teach him trade, you know. I mean, we say one done, you know, want to learn trade, you want to do badness. But look, it's a small world.
And he pick up and then you want to talk about one.
And young you
But
don't-
tell me if it's happening, so I'm not stop.
But I think it's a bad word still. We don't
Who
know
not
much
think
about
it's
it.
a bad
It
word?
don't bad.
Well,
Thank you, brother.
but
It
so
don't
I
A
bad.
man we go carry gun, stick me up with it.
No,
A
because-
man we go continually try put his hand on this or other. I know bad somebody.
You tell you what I think. So my time, we have a sister, and I say something to you. A soft answer turn away right.
Talk answer.
So most of the time, when female are so
You remember Bullet when we did David?
talking a lot of things. You see, she have a mouth to part.
You remember
She go
Bullet
talk.
when we did David?
Amount of money then we can
You
do
remember
it.
Bullet when we did David? Can just like a Brad. I see him so in the things that he could have come stick up my mother do all type of foolishness fit say him get to me. He would have killed me with lick. And what me could have do other than run for my life. All I know he could have look for me. So I don't want to hear nothing.
Bullet no for you there, bullet no why you
I
again.
may have said this
And a bullet they attack, bullet get a hot girl along the road.
Yeah, to kill him with lick. That's all I do with girl.
No, you know saying all the girl long there. Because the girl long there is obedient. So my time you don't practice obedience, you have too much mouth.
I said one child.
You
never
see same
breeds
thing? You see same thing? This is why you go look in your mouth. You don't know what to say and when to say it.
You stop shaking your head, the man will kill you. Remember, say me tell you that. He
He
will
not
kill
kill
you.
because they love me. So I'm not chat.
But anyway, I can't, I'm not tell you one night and talk to you.
I love it.
Hear me, I say.
But at the end of the day, yeah, go dead find that boy.
He not kill me, love me.
If when you lick, you can't lick him back. Agree with
Lick
that.
back who? You must have need papi hand when come with it.
So I tell everybody me a play fight. No, no, us serious. I'm not sure.
Look for your jaw. See there. Look there.
Let me
See
see.
there.
I want a bump.
See
I
there.
love bump.
Love
No
bump for
bump.
him.
Ask my piece of knife.
I love bump.
Could scare them? Could they?
Stop now. I
Stop,
love
stop,
bump.
stop. Girl. Here we now.
I'll cut in dead pan in hand. Look there.
Shut up, boy. That's what you want to know.
Right.
Them cut a long time. Cut.
A long
Now
time.
the people in a relationship.
Tabbing me name back this up. I have a tap.
I know get like up. Oh, you tap never gonna
Cause she not tap.
Anyway, I got nothing. So girl that time girl.
One. She got tell enough to do a walkout pound. One really.
She say, alright.
Alright. One. Me and only sister when did it when everybody need it. So me and only sister when did it in need for them. Me and only one.
But you're the only sister in need. You're in need.
Yes, and nobody's never there for me yet.
Me in need to.
Never there for me.
But anyway, you in need of therapy. You have gone through a lot of trauma, searching for love in the wrong place. So you have a lot of different something slapping in
You
your
know,
face
me I
all the
stop
time.
though. Me I stop try with Brittany. Me done. Let her
You hungry?
see. But let her see.
How can I go and cake to go buy
Let her
one?
see.
But you never did. You never did.
You want KFC too?
She
How come I want KFC?
Me tell her she always a friend for herself and not a friend for me. Do you see you?
Me tell us I don't want nothing.
How can I want 2 pieces here?
I don't want that.
See me bored and I get. But
They don't care for Brittany. Pain them out, let them be them out.
Yeah, go and see I go up on the big house.
Yeah, if it's close, we say.
Tap. Good, me say.
How is this? Wow.
Are you ready to find out?
Life nice. Yes, sir.
No.
I found.
You still a clown film? Anyway,
We are talking about clothes.
that's done the argument. I mean, that right now with you. And mommy, done the argument. I mean, an argument with you. And mommy calls me for down here, so right now. She
Wow.
says she not here from you. So, I don't know. You can't come back home.
Girl, when I come home back for? You know, see me have a man, me living with my man. Me find true love. You know, time to come back right now, so I can't bother feel live miserable rest of my life. You know that. You give me money, you give me food, you feed me? No. Look at who I do all of them things. He might feed me, he might do everything for me. You know, there's nothing for me, so I'm not if you up there, so sorry, but no can do.
Brittany, stop the lie. You not clothe and you not feed you. A thief, you have the thief for my boy. You know too. So stop it. You did that and also you eat properly and you do what type of. Anyways, mommy want to talk to you. You want to see it. She just want to see if you know, say alright. So I'll call him back and up on the phone.
You mean a thief, you make me a fear thief. Look here, I don't thief. I'm not a thief. In working, may I come the babes, wait no? In working hard, working money.
Joke, you know.
I am coming, wait no man. Yes, me I come, wait. Girl, you can't see us right now.
How are you going to do?
Babes, you know?
I can't check actually what you are going to do. What you are going to do?
What you do?
No.
You like a waste man, them already talk to me.
No, me.
No. What you do, man?
Yo, girl, let's build ourselves.
Because let me talk to my sister
Girl.
for 5 minutes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
And then I cover the
You talk to
area
she.
talk about.
Listen to me now. I wonder if you are the man or me are the man.
Oh, yeah, the man.
You now take my sister for
You
idiot.
know what I do? I don't understand right now. You make so SWAT is not coming. Hey, don't get
A
violent.
coward man beat
Stop
woman.
Stop
Yo,
calling
listen.
this is what
Boy, you there?
Yo, get stuff going up. Yo,
Leave him alone. You know something I make my brother pay you.
what?
take that.
Make kill your brother, man. I dump you.
Let me see.
Yo,
My
go
sister
up.
there for defend me.
You know
Let
what?
me alone.
You know what? Go on. Make sure you pack my things and go on in yard.
That,
Me and let-
that, me and Leave her alone. You want her? Why? Leave her alone. The dash is past them, you know.
And that you really did a run down.
It's so fine.
Don't worry yourself. Your sister got you. Push me. Come on, love it.
Yeah, man.
What?
Wanna just fight with him and we're gonna back up a yard. So he gone for a gun. A joke business that man. Me a follow, me then lane still, me a follow down there.
Alright, hurry up.
What one Deacon?
Yeah, man. Everything good.
Yeah. Are you on the pass around the place, you know?
Yeah, man. We run out the place, man.
So what are you doing? So you're not building the mansion go for now.
Yeah, man. I go and build up a mansion there.
Alright, so. Oh, you and the girls them?
Girls, them alright, man.
You know easy, you know? I've got 10 picnics here going down from the up, so you know?
Oh, I say go, man. I got the girls, them. I just go and match them.
Anyway, when you done the badness though.
Yeah, man.
Good for no son done the badness. When you pass, me I pass you still now.
Man,
Life
big
I
up
also
yourself,
do.
man.
And then back me up. Once the man I found out not do like do them. How about now?
A while ago we just fight with the man. What you did there?
I young you than the man.
Young you.
So we passing there.
The boy promise, make a promise and I hit him and come back for it. And
So I'm
just scared. So I'm going to gunshot.
Alright now. You know. I got try to call your phone for a winning now. Come to your phone.
Mash up.
Allah, tell. Tell the man say boy mash up the phone.
What may I say now? How you find yourself there with gunman?
And he is there with good man.
I don't answer you if there with you know. We don't care about that, but you have to know where you have to put your head.
But he love me.
Love, I like him. That's not love, he's coward, he's a coward guy.
He beat me because he love me.
Me outside.
Look like no problem solve them. I'm gonna leave it there. Boy, I say man say my come to you now.
The man don't say man can't kill me, master, because as she a while ago come go up the road, we go talk to him about what we want to talk to the girl, you know. And me talk to him good.
Come on, for me talk to faster.
The girl ready.
You
Man
can
ready to beat you. No, stay right there.
So your man have gun for you?
Yeah.
Your man have gun?
No.
Come on, I work for yourself, boy.
Yeah, we see. We are kill self boy.
You stick your gun there, or you gun? You checking?
I don't know, but I don't know me different from my life. And that you cause all of them they just listen to me.
Well, I'm there with the two sisters, them, you know, big sister and little sister. A history. Two of them are fight man and man are fight them and one bag of mix up. But me don't know though. Me I can't square it off everything. But there now. But there don't hear now though. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. For them now get a phone in them because you change the number. You may go talk afterwards though, because there's a lot of things that go on. You almost get one run pick me, but something go on. What talk to me though?
No, I'm happy. You want to chat to this one?
See, look at that. Talk to her. Yes, mommy. But there you know, I be a jam, I be a mix up. See, two girls, my two sisters sit on one side and the fret and one look like. But when I say the man I beat him because I love him, and the next one I say the man go kill him. So I go come and screw up everything. So I don't know if the man have a real gun for you, but me have two guns on left here. Now I was here.
Oh, this
Mommy, calm down, man. I tell you, I'm a businessman and I have a license for the gun, the man. I'm putting on post, none of them couldn't find him. I'm an engineer in the house, and I'm a place now.
I know, we don't give me phone for talk to him, man.
Anyway, stop nice now. I talk to mommy on the phone, there's a talk same time, 1 more year. Yeah, man. So, anyway, I'm going to talk to your young daughter because then she never went there here. From when? We just come down from Mandeville. Come down to my place, I got a big contract up there, plus I have 2 girls up there. Your daughter and lad, the more you meet them, you know, when I come, mommy, stop some by. You take off for daddy. That's how you need left. That's how you go. Alright. Start me. Talk to your mama.
Yeah. No. I like she tell for me.
We're not taking on check. If you sure say the man serious to you, no go upstairs. No go upstairs.
The man don't have no gun.
You said go upstairs. Go upstairs. No, go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. No, upstairs.
But the man don't have no gun.
You say, listen now. You know I'm a federal. Huh? Go upstairs.
I don't want no free food. I
Go
don't want no free food. No.
Go on upstairs.
I don't chat to man. I don't want to chat to her. I don't want to don't kill him.
I'm not kill him.
He love me, no.
Go on upstairs.
I'm killing me, I beg you.
No, kill him. My day.
How are they?
watch her move out. Upon house and things.
What are you doing?
Right. Good day,
So now I'm coming home and I'm say I'm coming and do. So, you alright now?
Yeah.
Alright, that was thinking about the hour day. Then I tell one.
They're not tell me to hear everything.
What do you want to do? I was chatting that in the food. You go to hurt them.
But they'll go for you, you know.
Hmm?
They'll go for you.
Anyway, that's why I don't know how to do it. So, what about for you now? What kind of bag for you? Moving.
No, remember saying I need to go and shame that against Tony. So police them let me get me things.
Oh. So you say go live permanently now?
No. Can you get some money all the time? So I'm at one place now.
Alright, you go work. But anyway, when they are road through still, it's good to know that everybody alright now. So you have to get to one place, your boyfriend good back. You got my pass you on son?
What do you do with him too soft?
So you still let you take a shot?
Yeah, but I left him, I love him.
Go walk.
Well, I don't know what to say. But the myself sometimes though, come talk to some police people, you go to sometimes. So you have one next 2 years if you consider 3 years.
Me wait.
And you have a legal one.
Me wait. Look here.
You see the pastor youth a while ago me and forward still. My ball for you. Some to talk to you.
Yeah.
Feeling but I'm not responsible, I'm not people are fear though.
I feel business that he could have never blood in the business.
Alright, so. Anyway, all the things are going on from my side. But we don't really mention it yet. You know what I mean?
So you bring your friend and I'll mention it. You bring your friend.
We just want to know all the things are going on.
Money.
No man, I boss because you see, me realize so your sister get the money from foreign and so I talk to mommy. I tell mommy want to wear a party and can send money for you. So this year, take a card here. So whenever you want money, mommy go send money for you. So nobody now need to get no money. When you go to now, you go manage. You're managing the money or you spend it, right? So, if you have mommy number now, so you manage the money. So she will send the amount of money to take for school, buy your things and buy your
make
food.
shopping.
Make your things them work out. Because mommy suspect, so your sister take the money, my man, because she not take coke or no, she not buy no care herself, so much money. She have mind the money. So we in school. So make her stand still. So everybody can alright and balance and now still. So she will get to she look for in due time. Because I don't know how you take your mother money. No mind man. Anyway, I don't come up to stay still. Like I said, as I pass through because the whole of things I deal with. Because I get a new contract for a new plaza, right? And I pay some money going upon that. So like I tell you, one time I say, you get a car, get a this and get a that. Go and study, put on a liar. Doctor, you want to when time comes to pay the bills then, the start family. If you put in the work, you will be successful. You will be yourself.
I always be myself, you know.
So anyway, when the time is right there, talk. Now walk on the road. Come here, I'm ready to pick at you though. Come here. One of you, come fast. And fix it up.
You can't come too.
No. So I want. Like how you done it all of the man business, you know. I'm down the end of now and then. You think that time for me to start fucking it, you know.
May I might not related, but may I live like a brother and sister.
Listen up, it's time to cut that shit. You understand? Me don't related. You are. Can you tell her what I pull off now? Me ask my girlfriend up saying, no, a girl though, she get pregnant for her step brother. So me and you like step brother. Me not pregnant you, me not breed you, but me think some need you.
No, I'm not busy now.
We're not discuss it now, right? But let's put in your mind for a while and make it migrate because I think I can be very beneficial. You see the youth where I torment you. I have the links to solve any problem. Right? Free out, you can walk on road free without a cure in the world. Yes, yeah, that was a long watch. Yeah, because I decided to give you guys 2 long movies because some fans meet me on the road and they're saying, "Fire, the movie them short. Can you please give me 2 long movies?" So I said, "Alright." For you especially who out there who want long movie, I decided to give you 2 long movies. So hope you enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and stay tuned. You know what I mean? For the next movies them coming. So thank you for watching again. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. As we go along, we're still looking forward for help, you know what I mean? Because it's a road of, I make it look good, you know what I mean? But it's a war. We're fighting to try to get everything up and running, you know what I mean? Because presently, we're not at a good place in Jamaica because Jamaica is a place where they don't look out for the youth them who's doing good. So I'm trying to look out for the youth them that are even doing bad. So I would like to create an avenue where they can live a good life so they don't have to do the violence. Because I think by saving some people, you save yourself. You know what I mean? So if we all could try to save some people in any way, even the word of encouragement, even the way of righteousness, even the way of doing something good, let's do it. Let's stand up for positivity. Let's try to push this thing forward in the earth here. You know what I mean? Because I see the police going around looking for gunmen and people are really doing bad. Where are the people looking out for good people to try to straighten them and make so good can strive? Because this is the problem. The good is fighting, but there's no help to assist the good to push forward. Yeah, 1 and 2 people try, but many sit aside and watch and they chat. Don't sit aside and chat and watch. Help the mission forward. You know what I mean? You need donation. You need funding. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people. I try to employ as much as possible. And I still don't stop, even when it comes along with a price, a heavy price to pay, with a lot of negative energy in the long run. People bawling, say they're not getting enough money, but still the mission have to go on. So if you can manage it, if it's too little bit and you have to go, you have to go. But I try to fit in as much people in the program that I am doing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna extend, I'm gonna do a different invitation now for people out there that want to get popular. I just figure out a way where you can get popular because we have that agreement where you come in as a volunteer. You know what I mean? You just want to see yourself on the program. We give you endorse in our 1 movie. You know what I mean? It can work. You never can tell, you might do good and you get a call back or somebody call you for a different place. So I think about that option there where you can sign off a paper for that the purpose there. You know what I mean? Because we go along, we go through a lot of challenges with different people. People say what they should have and what they should have, but they don't see how much people benefit from it. Even the one them that benefit the most, them are the one that cry the most. You know what I mean? But you take what you take and you go do what you do, you know what I mean? So I don't worry about the negative, I do the positive, you know what I mean? And bad mind play a heavy role in our society, why we are not better as black people. As we go along, the same black people may try to help, the same people try to crucify you, you know what I mean? Because they don't understand, lack of understanding and misunderstanding. Look up at we landing. We land in one place upon it to make sense, you know what I mean? So who out there watching and listening, you know what I mean? Stay tuned. And do not come with the negative vibes, because the negative vibes lead to negative vibes. And end of the day, you have to have your receipt for everything you say, because I keep my receipt them, you know what I mean? So I know what I do and when I do it. And I try to say as positive as possible, you know what I mean? I'm only human. I do the best I can do. So hope that you are doing the best that you can do, because whatever you hide any place, somebody can find it, you know what I mean? So I don't hide things, I leave it up in the open, you know what I mean? Say, yeah, this is it, man. Live and live in color. Fire ass, burn it down to the ground. We're going to the challenges, you know what I mean? Going to the phases, but I love it, you know what I mean? We keep the fire blazing from that time to this time. Yeah, man, big up Richard Brown Flames, one movement, same way, you know what I mean? Then up on one side over there, so we're up on the side over here, so. But it's one movement, same way, but I thought it was, I think it's a good idea, and I still stand behind what I think, that 2 locations is better than 1, you know what I mean? But still, it's one movement, you know what I mean? So people on the outskirts maybe have different impression and different thing, but me always talk like every day. pertaining to the business and how it's moving forward, you know what I mean? But take what you take and you go do what you do, and it's just taking its course and it's taking its time. But in the long run, it will manifest, because a man without a mission is nothing, you know what I mean? You have to have a mission and you have to have ideas, and then you bring them to light. So at first, when you start push out something, most of the time, it's not so presentable and so pretty looking, because when the foundation just start digging, it look good, and when it all done, when I go so me I talk about. You see it? So who attack negative, that's your way. You know what I mean? Because it not gonna work. We don't work with negative vibration. One love, you know what I mean? You don't like me, you know what I mean? But it's okay though, you know what I mean? So continue not liking me, you know what I mean? I continue doing me and doing the best I can do, and the movements continue, and I have some loyal people around me moving forward, you know what I mean? You gotta take what you take and go do it though. No more long talking. Let's go.